You have finally awoken the lion in me. Today, that lion must kill you.
Look who is calling me.
That lion must kill you today.
Look,
if you don't die today, I will bury you today.
Look at the shameless lizard that is calling himself a lion. So if they call lions, you will come out.
Yes, now.
Shameless lizard.
I'm a lion.
You're a shameless lizard.
Who?
You.
Me.
And if you do anyhow, I'll beat you.
Hey!
I'll beat black, blue, yellow out of you.
You will beat me? Eh? No, come and fight me now. How can you beat me?
How can I beat you?
How can you beat me?
Have I not been beating you?
A woman like you that do squat and urinate will fight a man like me, the prince of this land.
Oh,
eh?
Really?
Come now, come on,
A woman that squats to urinate. A woman that squats to urinate has beaten you many times, countless times, and you're here talking. I don't blame you because your mother did not do her job. If she had done her job to train you, you won't be stupid like this.
Don't ever call my mother in this thing.
What are you doing?
Do not ever call my mother in this any situation, any problem. Don't ever call my mother.
If I will beat you.
I'll bite you. I'll bite you. Hey, come on. I'll bite you. Are you out of your mind? I'll bite you.
Let me deal with him.
Are you mad? Are you trying to lay your hand on my woman? Who are you? Who are you? Oh, you went to call police. You went to call police to fight me. You went to call police to fight me. Listen, just get out from here before I.
Is it useless?
No, he's useless.
Who is going?
He's more than useless.
A prince. Hey.
What I do? Just let him be. Just let him be.
The fuck is this, man?
What's the prince? Hey, Arrow!
What is that?
Arrow! I will banish you from this land.
Banish you.
I will banish you from this land. I swear to God, I will banish you.
What are you going to do?
Give me your hand.
Allow me to deal with it. Allow me to deal with this phone.
I'm going to kill this man. You want to touch me? I'm going to kill this man. I will banish you from this land. I will banish you from this land. Mind my words. Leave me.
I used to beat him. It's a normal thing for me to beat him.
Wait for me. Wait for me. 2 against 1. Wait for me. Wait for me. No problem. You are lucky because my mother is not around. Because my mother is not around.
Oh, your mother is your weapon. Idiot, mommy's boy. Weakling. Shameless lizard. Job, are you okay?
It's you. So you think you can run and hide after committing crime? You. I'm asking you, you're pretending as if you don't know me.
Hey. What's the meaning of this rubbish you're talking about here? You are embarrassing my woman. As a matter of fact, who are you?
Yes, please, who are you? Because I don't know you, I've never seen you before. And why are you embarrassing me?
Oh, you have the guts to ask me who am I? You don't know me again. You don't recognize me. Is that what I'm trying to say? At Casey's club some time ago, you demanded for 50K. My brother bargained and we ended up 20K. In the following morning, you took his gold, his money, and you ran away. And you are here pretending that you don't know me. That's what I'm trying to say. You don't know me.
Me? Nightclub? Do I club? I don't club. Where is the nightclub you're talking about? Where is it? Because I don't club. This is why are you talking about nightclub? Me?
Oh, you are trying to pretend. You say you have not been to the club all your life. Can you swear to it?
Yes, I've never been to the club before.
Oh, yes, that's what I'm trying to say. Instead of you to call me to our side and say, bros, Alpha, let's find a way and solve this problem. You are still denying it. You are still denying it. Okay, no worry. And it was actually go super. Since you don't want to admit that you know me, no worry. Bros, no vessel. You don't go there before. Don't enter there. You don't enter there before. You know there is a mark here. And there's a dot here. Have you gone there before? Oh, I remember just check the last time you guys.
Hey, Mr. Man. I am sick and tired of this embarrassment you are bringing upon my woman.
Good.
What is the meaning of this?
What is it?
Listen, if you don't leave here right now, I will have to involve the police on you.
Don't Don't worry. Which of the division? A division or B division? I'll help you or headquarter.
Let's just stop.
One thing you have to know, she will not leave you until she bring all those items. Or let me call my brother. Go where? Go where? Leave which road?
I have respected you good enough. If you don't leave our way right now, I will have to do what you and I will regret.
Bros, do whatever you want to do. One thing I know that she will not leave here until she provide those things. If she's lying, let's go to police station and let her prove her innocence.
I don't know you. Leave my way.
Can you leave this way right now?
Let's go.
Stay out of this way.
You
handle it.
Yes! Emeka, stop! Emeka, leave him! Emeka, no, stop!
I will injure you!
Emeka, I don't know you! I don't know you!
I will deal with you!
Emeka, leave him! I don't know you! Down now, please calm down. Please calm down, please. Just calm down.
Listen, do not tell me to calm down. It was all your fault. You caused it.
Yes, I know. And you know Hasami is only angry because I turned him down. You know it.
Can you even listen to yourself? Huh? You stole that young man's money. And you also took his gold. It is not enough for you that you sleep with everything in trousers. But you also steal.
What is it? What? No. What is all this? Why are you insulting me? You stand here to insult me and you think I will take it? No. Please stop it. Don't insult me. Stop it.
You know what? I think I am sick and tired of this relationship. I can no longer take this embarrassment from you each time we go out.
Then you move.
I am done with this relationship.
Yes, fine. Move. Go. You can go. What's it?
Idiot! I leave. Have you seen it now? Have you seen my real self now? What is this I'm holding? This is the royal staff. The royal authority. You know, when you came in here, you were thinking you can fight me because you are yellow purple, you are eyeglass. Now, I am the crown prince of this land and this is my royal staff. You called your useless police friend to come and fight me. Stand up and fight me now. You think I'm joking? No, don't even tell me to stop. You had the guts to raise your useless hands on me. Leave now before I touch you this thing.
Ifediba, can you stop being a nuisance for once and go upstairs? What is wrong with you?
In my own house. You know, Papa, leave here now. In fact, let me move you myself.
What is
Let me move you myself.
Ifediba, what's the meaning of this nonsense?
Leave here. Hey. What is it? Are you mad? Who is telling you? Leave here, my friend.
Ifediba, stop this nonsense. What is wrong with you?
Let him leave.
Honey, just ignore him.
The prince of this land says he don't want to see you. Leave.
He's insane.
I have banished you.
All of us cannot be mad at the same time.
Leave.
Just come this way.
Move. Go which way? Which way? My friend, move. I will break this glasses.
What's your problem?
I will break this glasses.
What is your problem? Will you stop that nonsense?
Let him leave here.
What is your problem?
Let him leave here
Are
now.
you mad? Let me have that.
Have what?
Let me have it.
You know, Papa, leave here right now. You want to challenge me in my own house, the prince of this land.
Ifediba.
I have banished you. I have guards. In fact,
God.
I'm not leaving here. Will you leave or not? Will you leave or not?
Oh no. Ndị Igbo si na anaghị ahapụ isi gwa ọrụ otu ha jụ. Let us do the right thing the way our forefathers have always done it. Is it difficult to suggest?
Gilbert is right. Oh no. Yes, he is very, very right. We do not want to incur the wrath of the gods, not upon our own heads, our children's, nor our children's children.
Tell them.
Because if we make any mistakes now, that is what is going to happen. What is there? Yes, the Babando has a son.
Of course.
What is wrong in letting the son inherit the kingship of his father? Give her that worry.
Simple.
What if the son in question has a questionable character? Should we go ahead and crown him a king? As for an Afro came a make Afro. As far as I'm concerned, Ife Diba cannot be our king. Simple.
Hold on. Why do you say that? Why do you say what you have just said? No. Give us a very, very cogent reason why you have just said what you ought not to say, in fact. What's it?
Ndokwe, you have just spoken an abomination.
Tell
A big one at that. The gods are wise.
Yes.
The gods are wiser than all of us here.
Exactly.
Elders, the issue before us is a very serious one.
Of course.
I know we all understood that. If we are not very, very careful, we might end up entrusting this our great kingdom into a hand of nobody. I hope we know what that means.
Exactly. That's exactly what we are talking about. And exactly the point I have been trying so hard to make here. Yeah? If the gods have chosen Ife Diba, who are we to say no?
And how do you know whom the gods have chosen? When you become Agbara in this our community?
And when did you become the mouthpiece of the gods in this kingdom? Eh? Ndukwe? Tell me!
Ndokwe! Ndokwe! For the first time, shut up. If you don't know what to say, shut up! A person that does not know and did not even know that he does not know is a fool.
Come on!
You are a fool.
It's your entire generation that are fools. In fact, your family, all of you are foolish.
You are calling me a fool?
Yes.
Quiet!
Foolishness runs in your family.
You are calling my family
I
a fool?
said quiet! Quiet!
What's all this rubbish? Why are we behaving like children that we are not? We have serious issue on ground. You are here battering wars with each other.
Oh no, they started it.
Hold on, Ndukwe. Ndukwe, you are the issue container. I know what I say.
Ichu,
You started it.
Ichu Baka, Ichu Baka, Ichu Baka.
No, we have to.
How dare this big-headed man come here?
Talking about this man.
How dare you come here?
Why would you say that?
Why will you come here, fool?
Take this thing.
Who are you?
Amanda! Where's this girl running to that she even noticed me? Amanda! Okay, you're not snubbing me. No problem, you will find my face. No problem.
All this. What is all this stress, eh? Where is this flying to? Where are you flying to? Where are you flying to now, eh? All this rubbish clothes. Because of a prince, I've been wearing all this nonsense. Stressing my life. See how I'm sweating. I'm sweating in my kidney. Hey! Arabagodo prince. Madness. This is pure madness. Come. What is your name?
My friend.
What is your name?
My name is Emeka.
Emeka. I know you.
My prince know me, oh.
I know you now. So your father's name is Amadi. Okoya?
Yes, my prince.
And your grandfather's name is Austin Ilu.
Yes, my prince, you are right.
I know you. Wait. There is something you will do for me now. Just wait. Chere. I don't know what kind of punishment is this. Eh? Is it a must? Must I wear all this? Must I wear all this nonsense? Onyara, was it not yesterday they gave birth to you? Come.
Please, but why are you putting your clothes like this on the road?
Come here, my friend. Hold this one. Take these things. Drop everything at the front of the palace gates. Eh? Once you get there, you drop these things and then you leave. You hear me?
What of the shoe?
Come. Let me just give you everything. I'm not in bondage. I will not live in bondage because I'm a prince. Take this one. Everything. Drop at the gate and then you go back to your house. Yeah? Hey, come.
What again?
Come, bring it. You're not permitted to do this. Eh? Just go to the palace and drop that thing. Move! Run! I say it's run. Onyara, run! Drop that at the palace. Monkey. You see who's sweating.
What would you like to eat when you come back?
Mama, you don't have to bother yourself. The princess and I already have a lunch date this afternoon.
I don't understand why you go and pay for food when I'm here to cook some delicious meal for you. Except if you think I'm not a good cook anymore.
Mama, of course now, you're the chief chef. Your egusi soup is top notch.
Then invite the princess over to come and taste my meal. It will be an honor to serve her my lunch.
Of course I will, Mama. We have to discuss that with her. And of course, introduce her to you officially.
Okay, no problem. But before you leave, there is one more thing.
You should have allowed me tell that imbecile a piece of my mind. Who is he? Who does he even think he is? Huh? He was very lucky that you stopped me when you did. If not, I would have poked my 2 fingers inside his eyes.
You see, you know why I stopped you. 2 people do not run mad at the same time. That idiot, that bagger, is always known as a madman. Because only a madman will think the way he does, you know?
And that is why I had to put it right before his face.
Okay.
Exactly. Even see you know, I was even surprised. Birds of a feather, flocks together.
Okay. That is it. Just Gilbert. You see, this task that we have set ourselves to accomplish, we must accomplish it.
Exactly.
You know, the queen has made us promises, and I know she will fulfill each and every promise she made.
She has already started fulfilling it. See, you know that we have a lot of things to gain in this.
That is what I'm telling you. I
agree 100% with you.
That young man must be king.
Oh, if he's already the king.
I'll call you once I get home.
Hey! So it's true. Mutana, you are back. Mutana!
Amanda.
Hi, you are back.
Yes.
Hi.
How are you? Easy. How are you?
Now that I have seen you, everything is fine. I'm fine.
I see. Well, you look good. The village is doing you really good.
Like this. Well, you're looking good too.
Okay, I was actually on my way heading out before you came in. I guess you're still around, right? I'll see you later.
Namo, are you not happy to see me? Eh? Where are you going that is more important than I am? Like, it's been long we saw each other now. Eh?
Well, first of all, you have no right to ask me where I'm going to because we have nothing in common. I owe my mother that explanation and not you. Okay? And secondly, whatever we had, of course, is now in the past. You ended it.
I did not.
Yeah. Remember, you're here. What happened?
Lutana, what kind of hopeless life are you living? Eh? Sleeping away your time when your mates are out there, hustling to make a living.
Why are you sounding as if I'm just being useless being at home here? I know what I'm doing now.
No, Mosana, you don't know what you are doing. You are just lazy. You are lazy. Look at me as a woman. I hustle so hard to make a living. And I want you to do the same so that you can take care of me like other men do. Eh?
How can you call me lazy? How can you just open your mouth and call me lazy? You think I'm just whiling away my time? Of course I know what I'm doing. I've told you this before.
See, Losana, it's not going to work for us. Eh? It's not going to work for me and you. I have seen it. There is no future. And I cannot stand here and waste my time with you for no reason. Please, I'm leaving you.
Come on, my Peter. No, Mom. I was actually coming to your shop.
Okay.
Okay, so I need some money. I need to go to the cyber cafe to check my mail, and I have some documents to scan.
Lotana, I don't have money to give you.
Don't tell me you're still angry about the other time. Eh? Don't have to be angry now. I'm sorry.
Lotana, what should be more important to you is to go out there and look for work like other boys. Ijoma Bakery is looking for sales boys, so go there and check it out.
I cannot work as a baker. I have things I'm pursuing. If we put heads together, it will definitely work out. I mustn't be a baker now.
See, let me tell you, school is for lazy people. So go out there and look for work. Go and work, Lotana, stop disturbing me.
You don't even understand.
Lotana, I'm no longer interested. Like, it's over between me and you. It can't work. We don't have future.
But you can't say this. We have future together. As a matter of fact, I have a...
There is nothing you will say that will make me to change my mind. My mind is closed already. Like, I've made up my mind. Take your ring.
Amanda.
Amanda, baby. Yay. Lover girl. So because Lotana is traveling to Canada to further his studies, that's why you're keeping on this long face.
Oh, Shisom, what did you just say?
Don't you know? Lotana came to my brother's cyber cafe a few days ago to print out his admission letter. Didn't he tell you about it?
No. He did not.
Why?
He didn't tell me anything.
Maybe he's going to tell you now. Is that why your face is like this? My friend, brighten up your face, Joro. Please, what do you have there?
Lotana, I'm no longer interested. Like, it's over between me and you. It can't work. We don't have future.
But you can't say this. We have future together. As a matter of fact, I have a...
There is nothing you will say that will make me to change my mind. My mind is closed already. Like, I've made up my mind. Take your ring.
Amanda.
Hey.
Oh my God. What did I just do? Oh, Lotana. Please.
Where are you going to?
Hey, I'm coming.
I don't understand. Are you going to pay me? Hey, look at this girl. Oh, the love. Go and come back.
Mama.
What happened between you and Lotana?
That's why I'm here. Mama, I overreacted. Mama, where is Lotana?
By the time I was back, his bags were already packed. He said he was going to Enugu. From there he would travel.
Mama, is it true? Is it true that Lotana is traveling to Canada for studies?
Yes, he is. He said from there he will travel. He couldn't stand the hard break. He was deeply heartbroken.
Oh, no. No. Mama, how do I reach him? How do I reach Lotana? I need to tell him that I'm sorry for everything. Mama, I swear, I'm sorry. Please help me out. Help me out, Mama, please.
I don't know. You know he lost his phone.
Oh, God. God, what will I... Oh, Mama, please help me. I'm finished. I'm finished. Oh, Mama, I'm finished. Mama, please help me. Oh, Lotana. Oh. Lotana, please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for everything. I've wronged you. I didn't mean it to be like that.
Amanda, listen. This is not nice, okay? There's no need for this drama. You ended what we had. You told me that you don't want it. I should take your advice, which I did.
I said I'm sorry.
And of course, it was hard for me to take that advice, but now I'm used to it. We have nothing in common. It ended long time ago. Don't act like you don't know. Don't just come here because you've heard that I now have money or things are going so well, so you're trying to get yourself back on my life. It's never going to work.
I said I'm sorry.
Can you stop acting shameless? Sorry for what? Have you forgotten what you did to me?
Lutana, remember I was there for you when you had nothing. You can't do this to me. Please, I still love you and I will still love you to the end.
You left me when I had nothing. Are you for real now? What are you acting? No, are you acting to be there? Are you acting to be a nice person where you disrespected me at every given time? There is no time for this, okay? I have someone, all right? I have a woman in my life who I love so much. So us ended long time ago. You should know that. Don't come here playing like a victim or something.
See, Lotana, if you cannot be with me, you cannot be with anyone else. I will not allow any woman to reap where she did not sow over my dead body.
But you didn't sow anything. You didn't. All you sowed was disrespect. All you sowed was disappointment. You sowed nothing. Mama.
Please, my children, we can settle
Mama,
this
there is
peacefully.
nothing to settle.
Please.
I have a woman. Nothing to settle. Please. I'm leaving. I'll call you later.
Mama, please. Lotana, please. Lotana, please. Lotana, please. Lotana, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Lotana, Mama. Mama, please come and talk to me. Mama, please. Lotana. Lotana. Mama, please. Mama, please.
When he comes back. When he comes back.
Mama, please.
Calm down. When he comes back, we'll talk better. It's okay. It's okay. When he comes back, we'll talk better. It's on his way out now.
Oh no. Ichie Obaka and Gilbert, they have sold their souls for just few penny. And I'm not going to be part of that.
Neither am I. Are you hearing me? Ichie Ndukwe, in as much as Ifedeba is the rightful heir to the throne, it is going to be a bad decision to crown him.
Me, I can't wait anymore. I want to urinate.
Want to pee?
I want to pee.
Oh, yeah, be fast now. The sun is too much. I'm good.
Come and watch me now.
Watch you. Are you crazy? You go.
Yeah, come and help me. Come and help me.
Go and pee, Joe. The sun is too much.
Are you understanding me? No, we cannot do that. What do you think other neighboring kingdoms will say about us? That young man is practically insane. So we cannot crown him. We cannot be made a laughingstock. No, Topiagwa. Ngozi Ezeonu deserves the throne. Huh? Yes, she deserves the throne. Letiwe confided in me before he joined our ancestors. He told me that Ngozi Ezeonu must be the one to assume the throne. And I gave him my word. I stand by my word. Ichi Edo.
Oh no. If we stand by our word, I am sure we will surely prevail. And I'm with you.
We are going to stand by that together.
Help me and hold my staff of authority. Hold it well, oh. I'm giving you because you are my future queen.
Yeah, I like it.
You like it? Okay.
Can you imagine? That is the person that they want us to crown a king. Then in the end, we will now be made a laughing stock. No, I cannot. I cannot do that.
Oh no.
Mbano. Oge mgbede.
Let me go and rest.
Je, zuike oge mgbede. Anyị afọ. We stand together like I said.
Okay. To God be the glory.
Are you there?
It's testing salt.
Are you mad? You're testing your urine. Jeez. The prince. Let's go. What's love? Let's go.
Mommy.
I'm sorry, Oya, stand up, let's go. I'm sorry. Oh, you don't have to be testing your urine. You're disgracing me.
Why did you slap me? Okay,
I won't slap you again, I promise. But don't do this next time. It's not nice. People are looking at us. Let's go. I'm sorry. Don't do it next time.
It's testing salt now.
Don't worry.
It's not part of my body.
I know, but you don't have to test it. You're a big boy now, a prince. A prince.
I'll just leave you because you're my wife to be.
Let's go. Come and wear your shoe now. You can't go like that. Come and wear. Hey, come and wear. If you don't wear it, I will leave.
Should be joining you soon, sir.
Okay.
Do you need anything else?
No, I'm fine. Thank you. You don't look okay.
I don't want to be here anymore.
What happened?
I'm tired of this whole thing. I just want to be far away from this place. Just somewhere else and not here.
It's okay. It's something we need to talk about. Okay?
I'm so sorry I had to welcome you like this. How are you?
My shoulder is always here for you to lean on.
I know. And thank you very much for it.
It's okay. Go get your bag. Let me take you out. There's this favorite in Salah Sports that you're really going to love.
You know you always find a way to make me happy. At the right time. This is exactly what I need. I've not had any decent meal today, so let me get my bag so we can leave.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Thank you. I'm coming.
Now you're a prince, comport yourself. You're disgracing me. Hold this thing like this. Hold it as
It is my swag now.
Let's go.
I'm the swaggest prince. Mommy, let us follow this way.
That's Appian way now.
Now, this is the easiest way to the palace. Once we follow here now, you just wait at the gate for me. I'll go inside, steal the money, and bring for you. Then we'll take off.
Hurry now, hurry up.
What do you mean hurry up? Let's go together.
No, I will stay and wait for you. Just hurry up. Go. Don't keep me waiting now.
Okay, kiss me.
You don't need this now, beg. Let's do this. Just go. Go and get the money.
Yeah. Hey, it's about to go down.
Why are you removing?
Let me run where now? Wait from you, I'm coming.
Okay.
Hey.
Which kind of man be this? How did I get myself into this kind of man? Okay. I'm waiting for the money. That's the most important thing.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Princess Judith.
Lotani Ibekwe.
Nice to meet you.
Pleasure.
Are you here to see anyone?
Yes, Princess Kosi.
Oh.
I presume you're her sister.
House sister.
Okay. Nice to meet you.
Well, it will be nice to see you around some other time. Alright?
Oh.
I like your shirt. This is
Uju. And what exactly is going on here?
And what do you think is going on?
He's my guest.
So, can't I talk to your guest?
No, you can't, Judith.
And why?
Because there are boundaries.
Hey, babe. Come on, babe. Babe.
Babe, allow me, please. Allow me sort this out once and for all.
But you don't need to.
Judith.
What?
You don't cross the line. You don't.
And what is going on here? What is going on here?
Today, my queen.
And you? Leave my palace immediately.
Mom, you have no right to send my guest out of the palace. He came to see me.
Are you still standing there?
Mom, you don't have the right.
No,
Allow
babe,
me,
okay,
babes.
It's okay, ma'am. We're already on our way.
Out!
Sure. We'll be okay.
See you around.
You have any problem?
So, Mom,
Amanda.
Mama.
You're still here. I don't think Lieutenant is coming back anytime soon.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. I'll stay here and wait for Lotana to come back and meet me.
Well, if that's how you want it. But I'm going out now and I can't leave my door open for you.
Mama, please. I want you to talk to Lotana for me. I know I've wronged him. I know I've made a mistake. Even though I didn't see it as a mistake. Please beg him, I love him. I wanted the best for him, Mama.
You know Lotana is very strong-willed. He does not change his mind easily.
I know, Mama. You are his mother. I don't want to lose Lotana for anyone else. Please talk to him. He will listen to you, Mama, please. I will die, yo. I will die.
Okay. I'll do my best. But you need to go home and rest for now. Go home and rest.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
What's the meaning of this? What are you doing with my money? Where are you taking my money to?
Mama, I have something important to buy. Yes. When I come back, I will give you the details.
Please, keep back my money. Drop it here.
Mama, wait now. Let me go. When I come back, I will tell you everything about the money.
I don't want to hear anything. Keep my money back.
Oh, what is it now? After all, sir, this money belongs to me. I'm the next king of this land. So my father died and left enough money for us. Is it because I'm not disturbing you for my own share?
Give this money, Femi.
Mama, stop.
Please give me my money.
Mama, stop now. I want to use this money.
Mommy.
I have gotten the money. I have gotten the money. Real money.
What is money for me?
All for you. All for you. I told you that I'm a good thief. I know how to steal very well.
Professional one.
So you use.
God bless you.
Bless you too. You will use 150,000 naira and give to Ifeanyi for his school fees, and then it's 500,000 naira here. So you take the rest. Sorry. But I thought we can just do this thing now.
God, thank you so much. You see why I love you, eh?
I love you too.
I will never stop loving you.
I won't stop loving you.
Come here. You need to naked me. You're a prince now. Comport yourself.
What are you saying now? I thought once I give you this money, we'll just do this thing.
See, can't you see we are in the open place? Don't worry, I will give it to you. I promise it. Baby, see, I will give it to you anyhow you like it, anyhow you want it. I will give it to you plain. See, I will give you from back, but behind, I'll give you doggy. That style that you like.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'll
give it to you.
You promise?
I promise now.
Let's bet. Bet.
I'll do it. See.
Today. Today.
I want to rush home so that Ifeanyi will get ready and go back to school tomorrow.
You want to go?
Thank you so much. Thank you for this money.
Thank you.
You don't save me.
You don't save me. You go save me, oh. You go save me too.
I will save you later. I'll call you.
Are you going?
Yes, ma. Let me deliver the money.
Just like that?
I'll call you.
You don't need to call me, eh? I will call you. In fact, I will come. I will come so that I will come.
That money was meant for Gilbert and Obaka. It is the money I promised them.
How much was that, Mom?
500,000.
Oh, God. Mom, you see what I'm saying? Do you see it? Oh, well, I just pray that all the effort that you are putting in Ifediba's kingship will not be in vain.
Shut up. I know you never liked him. He is your brother as much as he is my son.
Mom, just look at this now. Look at it. Ifediba is mentally ill. He can't even take care of himself, talk less of taking care of this entire community, Mom.
See,
Mom, if he becomes the king, no problem. I don't have a problem with that. But have this at the back of your mind, that he will bring disgrace to us.
I'm speechless.
Yes, Mommy. Keep your money and save us the disgrace in future.
Shepe!
Where's my money?
I've used it though.
You must be silly.
I've used the money now.
That money was what I
coming,
kept
Mom.
for the elders that are working round the clock just to help us secure the throne. Do you know how hard I work and sacrifices I make just to make sure you sit on your father's throne? This boy.
Am I not sitting on the throne? Eh? Am I not sitting on the
No,
throne?
you're not sitting on the throne.
What am I doing?
I don't know. What are you doing?
You want me to wear this heavy cap before you know I'm sitting on the throne? Why are you acting like this now? Are you a small girl? You're the queen of this land. Eh? Number one queen, nobody contests. You are the richest woman in this land. As a matter of fact, before my father died, he left enough money for us. Why are you sounding as if you're poor? You're not a poor woman. If you need money, you go there and collect. Eh? Collect money. Obiageri. I took some money there and you're lamenting. Tomorrow I will still go and take again. You're saying I should leave money for. You go leave 500,000 for me. I beg. I don't even know what I'm doing in this house. Is this a palace or what? Eh? What kind of palace is this?
Come and remove your shoes.
Mama, leave that shoe.
Come and remove these shoes. In as much as I'm a queen.
I will soon become the king. Once I become the king, I will pay you back the money. What is this now? There is no food here. Eh? What is clay pots doing on the dining of the... Oh God. What palace is this? This disgrace. Eh? Look at this cup. Cup that Jesus Christ used with Paul and Barnabas when they were having dinner. What for me? I'm hungry, please. I'm hungry. Get me something to eat. Biko. I'm hungry. Mama, I will suck breast. Oh. I swear I will suck breast. I'm hungry. Give me something now. You're there thinking as if I stole your money. It's Papa's money. Mama, I'm hungry. I want to suck.
Can't get away from here.
I want to suck breast.
Animal.
Mother of animal.
No.
My queen.
Yeah, thank you. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to keep you waiting.
It's okay.
Would you like to take anything?
No, thank you. I'm okay.
I would want to go straight to the point. I wouldn't want to beat about the bush.
Okay.
Between you and I, we know we have been on the wrong foot severally, especially as it concerns the issues of the throne, this throne.
My queen, I honestly do not have anything against you. No.
I have not finished with you. What I was trying to say here is that we still have time to walk on the same lane, have a common purpose and understanding.
My queen, if I heard you correctly, you started by saying you do not want to beat about the bush.
Exactly.
Please, go straight to the point. Tell me exactly what you want from me.
Oh no, I want this throne.
You know it's not in my powers to make such decision, my queen.
Oh no. If my son has this throne, I have it also. But if Ghost is such who has this throne, I don't have it.
My queen, how do I deliver this throne to you, seeing that it's not in my powers to make such decision?
I want you on my side.
Okay, let's go with 100 tons of granite. Okay. Alright, in that case, let's do 150 then. Then sand, we do 30 trips. At least for sand filling. Yes. That's the problem we have, but it's okay. We can use that to do some filling before we start up. Okay. Alright. Okay, I'll call you back, eh? Mama?
I thought you were sleeping.
Yeah, so this call woke me up.
Butanna, you have a project at hand, don't you?
And it's going well.
Okay, well, I'm worried because you're not making any move to get back to the city and get it started.
Mama, I will leave, but at the moment I'm still connecting with them. I don't need to be there for work to be moving. I was actually talking to them.
Okay. Now about Amanda.
Mama, please. I don't want to talk about it. Biko, I've moved on. Can I call Amanda?
Butanna, you need to settle things with Amanda. The last time she was very hot. She was.
She will get over it now.
These are all yours. And more are coming from where those came from.
My queen, I don't need this money.
Oh no. You know that I know that you need this money. And I know that you need it.
My queen, I consider it to be an insult to my person as a Nowu of this kingdom. I have a conscience. There is no amount of money you bring that will make me sell my conscience. I stand for the truth.
What truth? Oh no. What truth are you talking about? Which conscience? If you have conscience, then you should have known that my son is the rightful heir apparent to this throne.
I want to believe you have not forgotten what your late husband, our late Igbe, said. He made it clear that Ngozi Ezeonu must be the one to assume this throne when he finally joined our ancestors. Ifediba is not fit for the throne, my queen.
Why? If I may ask or no, why?
I will tell you. We cannot have somebody like Ifediba assume this throne. No, it's not possible. He is incompetent to assume this throne.
You sit before me and talk that trash. You don't sit before me and vomit those nonsense.
My queen, I can see that I have overstayed my welcome.
I've had enough.
I take it. Thank you.
Oh no. How far now? What are you doing in the bush? No, we are go shit. No, you know me too well. I love natural things. I love natural environment. Everything about me is natural. All this apply yourself, I don't even like them. I hope you understand what I'm talking about.
No, I don't.
You don't understand?
Yes.
Poor man like you. Don't you know going to the bush to defecate is very easy? Eh? If you go there, natural air, natural things, nobody will come stop you and say, what are you doing here? Water content. No, now. Eh? I don't need to go and look for water and tissue. Just use breeze, you know, they live there and clean bomb up. I go say you don't understand. Are you coming from the palace? I don't know.
What is saying?
I don't say no.
Look at the person there.
Queen Joyce wants to sit on the throne.
Mama. Amanda. Mama, good day. You're welcome, Mama. Thank you, Mama. Namo.
No, let me excuse you.
Okay, Mama.
Excuse us to wear now, Mama.
Namo.
Please, can you stop this? Stop calling me that now. Which one is Nago? Emma Nago.
But you used to like it when I call you now.
That was before. That was before. We have nothing in common right now. Just take this and leave me alone. What's in Nago? Stop coming here. Stop disturbing my life. Enough of this nonsense, Biko. Someone Nago.
Lutana, you call this nonsense? Eh?
I won't warn you again. I will not warn you again.
Lutana, see, I will not stop. I will not stop. If I cannot be with you, no woman will. I bet you that.
Is that a threat?
You can call it whatever you want.
Nonya? Nonya? Yes, brother. Please come. You can sit. Nonya, do you know how much I have spent to train you up to this level? And yet you have sworn never to bring joy and happiness to me. Why, Nonya?
But I really don't understand what you mean.
You really don't understand what I mean? Nonya, look at your mate, Emilia, Udoka's daughter. Did you not see the huge amount of money that Ifediba gave to her? Eh? Nonya, what are you waiting for? What stops you from making Ifediba to fall in love with you? What are you waiting for?
If what you mean is for me, Noni, to date Prince Ifediba, then I'm not interested.
Who says you're not interested?
Brother, I'm a born-again Christian. It is against my faith.
Ah, you are a born-again Christian. Mama Bruce born-again Christian. Eh, what? Let me tell you. All you need to do is to do everything humanly possible to make him love you. You don't need to go and sleep with him. Mba, eh? You know that Ifediba is a lunatic. So, use your power as a woman to, you understand, meander, make him love you so that you can get what you want from him. Eh? Look at the kind of money that he gave to Emily. Had it been that he gave that money to you, by now, you and I will be enjoying from Ofe to Ofe, fresh fish. We will be enjoying life. Do you understand? So, Nonya, please think about it.
God forbid.
Ose?
But I will never succumb to the pleasures of this world. Never! Huh? But what shall it profit a man to gain the whole world and lose his soul?
Whose soul?
But that money, cars, clothes, all of these things, they are not worth my precious soul.
Which precious soul? Who told you you have a precious soul? I am here talking about money, good money, and you're here telling me about precious soul. Get out. Get out! Go inside. I said go inside! What did they teach you? Money, cars, this one does not worth your precious soul. Who told you that your soul is so precious? Precious and Ukoye? Don't worry. We shall see in this house. You must fall in love with Ifediba. Must!
I am beginning to see that, I mean, there is something happening somewhere that I don't seem to understand. But you know what to do. Huh? Yeah, but I was telling you, you don't seem to agree with me. You don't seem to reason with me, Ichi Endoka.
Let me ask you, Ichie, what do I stand to gain by lying against the queen? What do I stand to gain? Ichie.
Oh no, I have been thinking. Thinking about what?
Never mind, Ichie, never mind.
Oh no, if there is anything you want me to know, why not tell me? Of course, you know I will keep it secret.
Okay, don't worry, Mr. Badro, Ichie.
Okay, in that case, I want to go and see Ichie on Olefu. We have an unfinished business. Anytime you need me, you let me know.
Okay, Ini Edo Ichie on Olefu.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
No, okay. Why does the queen want her son to sit on that throne? Why is she so desperate to make sure that Ifediba sits on the throne?
You okay?
Oh, I'm fine. I feel this pain in my eyes. I think it's, I don't know, maybe something flew into my eyes or something.
I'm sorry.
Thank you.
That means we have to get water.
Okay, let's look for some way to get it.
Make her blind. Oh, the great witch of this land. Make her utterly blind. Cover her sight with total darkness. Make Ngozi Ezeonu blind. Ngozi Ezeonu, go blind. Go blind. Go blind. Go blind and remain blind.
Sure you're fine?
Babes, you know what? I think you should take me back home. I think it's because I've not had a good sleep for days now. I need to sleep. Please.
Oh. Okay, baby, if you say so. You can't manage.
Oh, babes, I'm sorry. I have to go. I'm sorry I'm spoiling your day.
No, it's okay, baby.
I know you had plans for us.
It's okay. It's okay. We'll take it. Okay? Sorry.
Thank you.
My princess.
Oh no.
What is it that I had? Is it you?
I woke up this morning and I can't see. I cannot see anything.
That's what she said. It was her cries that woke everybody up this morning. And I came back seeing this. She said she cannot see and you're slinging your palm in front of her face.
So you cannot even see anything at all?
Everywhere is dark. I can't see
She's
anything.
blind already. Can't you feel it?
This is very, very strange.
Please help me. Help me. I can't see. Lutana.
What is it I
Is
heard?
that you?
Yes.
I woke up this morning and I can't see. I don't know what happened to me. I don't know.
Open the gate for you.
My queen, please. We already have enough on our hands. Please.
I can't see you.
Enter my compound.
I cannot see.
What you and I should be thinking about now is how to get a solution to Princess blindness.
Exactly the same thing I'm saying.
I don't know.
I still want to know how you jumped into this compound this morning. Who invited you? Who called you? How did you get to know she's blind? Or she has gone blind?
Yes, I heard.
You
Please.
heard?
How did it happen?
Well, honey, I went to bed yesterday night. I woke up this morning and I cannot see. I can't see anything. Everywhere is dark.
Just like that?
Just like that. You know, I was complaining yesterday that it was paining me when you now dropped me off. When I go back, I freshened up. I took some aspirin to relieve the pain because I was having a headache too. But after that, I went to bed. And then I woke up this morning and I cannot see. I can't see.
Just like that?
Yes, please. I cannot see anything. I can't see. I can't see.
It's okay.
I don't know what happened. I don't want to go back.
Listen to me, okay? You're going to see, okay? You're going to regain your sight,
Okay.
alright? I'll take you to a specialist who will do everything possible to regain your sight, okay?
Okay. Nah. You sure you are going to do something for her to regain her sight?
My God, please. She's going to.
You want to take her to where?
To a specialist.
Who told you to do that? You came to my house uninvited. I want to take my daughter to a specialist hospital.
My queen, please, let them go in.
Who told him I cannot do what he's about to do?
My queen, he has contact.
Where's your footwear?
Where do you intend taking her to?
My queen, please, let her go and change.
Will he change her?
No, let him lead her in.
He can't lead her because I have to take her inside and he waits outside.
Let me go inside.
Go inside with who?
He's my boyfriend. He's my fiancé.
Is anybody here? Mama, Mama, good morning. I'm fine. I'm fine, Mama. Mama, have you tried to talk to Lotana again?
Amanda, my dear. Honestly, I think Lotana is no more interested in you. He has found himself another girl and has moved on. So I advise you do the same, please.
Mama, he hasn't changed his mind yet.
No, he has not. And I don't think he's going to do that again. You see, if you will accept my motherly advice, I'll advise you move on with your life. You are a nice and beautiful girl.
Mama, who is the new person? Please, tell me the truth. Don't hide anything from me.
Amanda, my dear, it's not in my place to tell you that. Just let it be and move on.
Mama, you mean I should let it be? Yes. Just like that? After all these years I have waited. After all these things, Mama. After all the whole sacrifice. You said I should take your advice and let it go.
It's for your own good, my dear. It's for your
body, Mama. Over my dead body, Lotana will pay. He will pay for every single drop of tears I shed for him. Yes!
Now listen. My son owes you nothing. So stop all these your empty threats.
Mama, this is not a threat. I mean every single word I said to you. He will pay.
Then so be it. Now get out of my house. I said get out!
I will, but we shall see.
Out! Is it by force?
Don't do because you can do. Don't kill because you have the power. Don't destroy because you can destroy. Because I'm watching you.
You start talking. What is it? Are you okay? Talk to me.
Mom Lotana is so cute. Mom, he's so handsome. I can't just take my eyes off him.
Of course he is. I know.
Mom? I want him. I mean, because she has always had all the good things of life when Dad was around. She was actually Dad's favorite. She had everything. I mean, for the first time, I want Lotana. And I want what she had.
You want him?
Yes, Mom, I want him.
Then consider him yours.
Just like that?
Don't you trust what your mother can do?
Thank you, Mom.
I want you as happy as you're just sounding.
Thank you.
You go sleep while I walk.
Thank you.
I walk on your side.
Thank you. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
What a diabolic woman you are. We mother. You are full of evil. Like mother, like children.
Oh no. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Ichi, I smell a rat. Emma no wodi for bona no dachi uzo. Onwe ife bure ya. The princess cannot just go blind like that. Ichi Endoka. Akemwe. No far.
But oh no, you know it is impossible for us to crown a blind princess. We have seen the handwriting. Even then,
Ichi Endoka, well, why you just calm down? You know, if you calm down, okay? Let's us keep our fingers crossed. While we wait for the medical explanation to princess blindness. You got that?
Oh no.
Yes.
I'm not in support of we the elders waiting. Because we have seen it. No.
Amalugomo, I am not arguing that, but as an elder, it behoves on us to get to the root of this matter. I, as a lower of this kingdom, I have taken it upon myself. I must get to the root of it.
Who am I? You are the owner. If I'm equal,
it is our responsibility as the elders of this kingdom to get to the bottom of this.
Okay. So what?
So what could be the problem?
Well, everything seems to be in a very good condition. I've really checked her very well. Checked her retina, her iris. Everything seems to be perfect. But not to worry. I would prescribe some eye drops that she will be using for now. And then when you will come back for her next checkup.
This is really strange.
Doctor, yes. Please, if there is nothing wrong with my sight, then why can't I see? Oh, please, I don't want to be permanently blind. Please.
Don't say that.
Please, I don't want to be permanently blind.
Say that. You have to be positive, okay? If nothing is done here, I'll fly you abroad. You must regain your sight, okay? I assure you, right?
Okay.
Don't worry, madam. You'll be all right. At least with the eye drops, you'll be okay. You feel a lot better. Take it easy. Okay. Please.
Uju Okoli. You don't have to stand to greet me. Both of us have come a long way. Please sit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As you can see, the gods I'm working.
Your Majesty, what exactly are you talking about?
The princess is blind. That means that my son, Ifediba, will be crowned as the king of his kingdom. You know, as a blind princess, she cannot be crowned to sit on the throne. So Ifediba sits as the king.
Is there something I need to know?
The battle is the gods.
Well, the words out there are not pleasant to the ears.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Is this something I should know?
Your Majesty, they are not good at all. Not good.
Then take care of it. That is the reason I have you and Gilbert out there. Both of you should be my eyes and ears. Get your people. If it is money, it's never a problem. You understand? Shake your butt. Yeah. You know, sometimes can I just sit with you? Yes. I feel like I should have one-on-one with you. Nobody's around, everybody has gone out. As for the blind girl, she's the only one in her room, but don't worry about her, she's blind. She won't see anything. Let me know what you have and how it feels.
Yesterday you came in very late and now you're off again. What is happening?
Mama, I have an important appointment I need to catch up with.
Now you have a contract that you have been partly paid. When will you start it? Is it when you finish the money?
Mama, I told you not to worry about this. My workers are there already. Work is going on.
Lotanna, I don't understand. You're saying all is well, but I know all is not well. What is happening with you?
Mama, I know what I'm doing though. Don't worry. See you later.
Get out of my car this minute! Get out! I am not going anywhere. You have to drag me down yourself.
Don't dare me, Jimmy. Because you are a princess does not give you the temerity to insult me.
So what do you want to do? Beat me? Nandi, just try it. Try it and you'll regret the rest of your miserable life. What is this? You need to pay me my money before I get there.
See, for your information, I don't owe you any dime.
Excuse me.
Nah, get out from my car!
You owe me, and I repeat, you owe me. Give me my 200,000 naira, and I will let you be. After you're not even good in bed.
What did you say?
Namdi, I said you are not good. I said you're not good in bed.
Give me alone. Come on.
This will not slide. I won't let this slide. This will not slide.
Hey. Here is your opportunity to get him.
Get who?
Ghost's boyfriend, of course.
No. You know he's not interested in me. Yes, he's cute and kind of rich. Of course, you know he doesn't look my side.
Do you want him or not? Because 1 minute you are head over heels in love with him, and the second minute you are backing out. Do you want him? That's the question.
Of course I want him.
Good. Now this is what you're going to do. As soon as he drives into the compound, you go to him, engage him in a conversation, keep him company for a while, and leave the rest for me. Just that.
Mommy! Okay.
Trust me.
Mommy, thank you.
Sorry, is Princess Kosi aware that I'm waiting for her?
Yes. And she'll be with you shortly.
Okay.
Are you in a hurry?
Not really. Just that she's taking time. We have an appointment with the optician.
The maids are attending to her upstairs. You know her condition, right?
Oh, yes.
So she'll be with you soon.
Okay. Okay, alright.
You look like a gentleman. That's nice. I like you. Don't get me wrong. I mean, I love your personality.
Oh, thank you.
Who's pursuing you? Why are you running out? Huh? Who's pursuing? Why are you running?
Yes, for me, it's different. I love fashion business, and it's like a passion for me, not like a job.
That's nice. Then I think you should give it a try. You never can tell what big brands could be pulling up.
You're right. You're right. Oh.
Good day, my queen.
Good day. I can see that you both are getting along.
Huh?
What is it? It's just a handshake. Nothing there.
Oh.
Why don't both of you go to somewhere more appropriate and talk?
Good?
Good?
So, mother said we should go somewhere appropriate. Yeah. Let's go.
Good.
Somewhere appropriate.
What a diabolic woman you are. We
We spend some time together.
You are full of evil, like mother, like children. No hope. She's a basket.
Who is that?
My princess is me.
Why is Lutana not here yet? I thought I heard his voice a few minutes ago.
Oh, he's discussing with the queen in the living room.
Discussing with the queen? Yes, my prince. What are they discussing? What? No. What is she discussing with him? Eh? Is it not me he came to see? Besides, they don't see eye to eye. So, what is it? What are they talking about?
My princess, please come and eat your food. You know you need to eat and be strong. And I have to hurry back to the kitchen before the queen notices I'm here.
Thank you very much, okay. I don't know how to appreciate you for all you've been doing for me. Who would have thought you'd be the one to take care of me at this time of my life? In this condition?
My princess, I have done nothing extraordinary. You're a nice person. In fact, you're the nicest person in this palace. I'm only doing my duty. I can't abandon you now that you need me the most.
Kiru, you flatter me too much. But all the same, thank you. God bless you, okay?
Amen.
I truly appreciate.
I am one of the people that are greatly misunderstood. I don't blame anyone. You know why? At my first meeting with people, I appear very tough. And that is because I don't want anyone to take my kindness for granted.
I used to think you're so full of yourself. And then you're so humble to the core.
I'm ready.
Oh, you're so beautiful. You're so glamorous. Mama, you know what? Let's go out. The house will
Beautiful.
We go.
Have fun, my children.
Thank you, Mom.
Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Love it.
That's it.
I don't even know which way to take it again.
Oh my God, me too. You make me feel so alright.
Love it.
Please come and eat your food.
This is too much for me. Jesus, what have I done to deserve this? Now I have lost my eyes. No one to help me. No one, even the one I love, have left me.
This is just the beginning. Oh no, we're the next in line. Very soon, very, very soon, I will have all the elders, this throne, and everything in my palms, under my control. Ifediba,
Mama.
where are you? Almost half naked. Where are you coming from?
Mama, nothing happened. It's
What
nothing.
did you do?
I said nothing happened. I went to swim. Must you know everything?
Ifediba.
I'm up Makabiko.
Ifediba. Come back here!
I went to swim. Up Makabiko.
Come and tell me what I won't understand. What is it? You are nothing but a disgrace. A disgrace to this throne and a disgrace to me. A disgrace to me. Nothing short of that. You don't understand. I don't. Come down here!
Brother.
Hey. You don't have to touch me before you say something. I am not deaf and dumb. Talk, I'm listening.
Brother, I got a job at a JB company.
Why are you telling me? When have you started respecting me in this life? Why are you telling me?
Brother, you don't have to talk like this. You're still my brother, my only brother.
Hey, please. I am not cut out for this kind of play. I'm not sure that I'm still your brother. Because if I'm still your brother, you're supposed to be respecting me in this life. Did your Bible not tell you to respect your parents and your siblings in all things?
It's obey your parents in the Lord. Brother, what you ask of me is evil. It's a sin before God Almighty. Brother, the company asked me to bring a guarantor to sign for me before I'll be able to start the job.
So?
But I want you to please sign for me.
Go to your father in the Lord. Or you go and meet that your youth leader. Gaddafi, the Bible church youth leader, Andy. And all your sisters and brothers in the Lord. Because I know that they are the only people you respect and listen to in this life. Go and meet them. Stop disturbing me.
Brother Bikono, if you don't sign for me, I won't be able to get the job.
Hey!
Brother.
Chief of Naval Staff, National
Swimming
Championship, kicks off in Asaba. Kicks off in Asaba.
Brother, please.
Hey! Please let you go.
Nkiru, who is there? Who is there? Somebody help me. Somebody help me. Nkiru.
Every day of my life, I have been in pain. In my father's house, I have been in pain. Every day of my life, I have been in pain. In my father's house.
No time now. What is it? Do you want to kill me? Look at the time, it's past 1 a.m.
Mama, but I told you on the phone to go to bed now. I told you.
Huh? It's no question of going to bed. This village is no longer safe. Kidnapping, killings are going on every day. It's not safe for you.
Mama, it's okay. Nothing is going to happen. I'm fine, okay? I'm fine.
You're fine. All the time you're fine. Let me ask you, what are you still doing here? When will you go back to the city and continue with your contract job?
Mama, don't worry about my job. My workers are there. Everything is moving well. I've told you this before. Eh?
Lutanna.
Mama.
Lutanna, I'm not comfortable with this. Eh?
Mama, let's go to bed. Leave this job. It's my job.
You're not even looking well. What is happening that you're not telling me? What is not well with you, my son?
The only thing I'm not telling you is bed. Let's go and sleep. That's the only thing I want to tell you. Let's go to bed.
There's something you're not telling me.
Very good. Now that we have him where we wanted, listen to me very well. We can't afford to slack or miss this opportunity. So we have to talk him into settling down with you as soon as possible. There's no time.
Mom, we just met. Yesterday was just our first time of going out, Mom.
It doesn't matter. Can't you see the way he was dancing all around you? Now listen, allow me to do this in my way. I can never hold on. Everything will work out fine in my own way. Trust me.
Mom, are you sure? Are you sure this will work? Won't it look like I am desperate?
Of course, my child, you are desperate. We are desperate people. Tell him you want to settle down with him. And you'll be surprised what he will do. Trust me, I tell you.
I just love my mom. Mom, I love you so much.
You have to.
Mom, do you know I love you? Because I am still surprised. I don't know how you put all these things together just a short time.
Trust your mother. The reason I told you to tell him anything you want, how you want it done, and just watch what
You're the
happens.
best mom in the world. I love you, Mom.
I love you, Mom.
My princess, why are you crying again?
My world has come before me. My world has crumbled right before me. Even the one I love and trust the most has deserted me.
My princess, I am sure you're talking about Lutanna.
Lutanna came to the palace. He did not even bother to see me. He did not pick my calls. I called him severally. He did not pick. He did not see me. He has abandoned me because of my condition.
My princess, you can't be so sure
I am sure of what I heard. I am sure I heard his voice here. Lutanna was in the palace. He did not even bother to see me. I called him severally. He did not pick my calls. What did I do?
Stop. You have headache. Please, it's all going to be fine.
Lutanna has abandoned me. Why me? Why me?
Please just calm down.
Why me? Just believe me. Lutanna was here.
Princess, please.
Lutanna did not even help me.
You have a headache, my princess.
Oh no, I disagree with you on this. In fact, this is absolute nonsense. Absolute balderdash. Arrant stupidity. In fact, this is pure bunker. And coming from elders like us, oh, very, very shameful. Very shameful.
Wait, Ichobaka, are you indirectly saying or insinuating that Onowu is making no sense? This is an insult to a person of Onowu back. Eh?
Ndokwe. Obviously, it seems you forgot your thinking cap at home.
Yes, then.
Now let me ask you, where is your thinking cap? See, you are making no sense to me at all. Because it is only a madman that will suggest that we crown an incompetent person. That
one is your own cup of tea. Whether you like it or not, Prince Ifediba remains the heir to the throne. Simple.
Or would you rather we have a blind princess on that throne? Is that what you want?
Ichobaka, it is better to be blind than to be stupid.
Ashe, it is better to be stupid than to be ruled by a blind princess who will carry everybody straight to the ditch. What are you talking about?
Enough! I can see we are not making any headway. No, we are not. Whether we like it or not, Ichiobaka, Gebert, Ndukwe,
oh no,
the gods are wiser than we.
Oh no, you are correct, and I believe you. In fact, I agree with you now on this one. Because for the first time since I know you for a very long time, you have just made a very salient point. That's the truth. Oh no, listen to me. The gods are wiser than us. I agree with you. Eh? But my lawyer friend tells me that vox populi, vox dei. You understand me? That is the voice of men and the voice of God. And why is it that way? Because the times are gone when the gods used to dictate for us whichever way we wanted to go. Hey, no, those times are gone. Because now we have the power of choice, which was given to us by the gods. Therefore, we have the power of choice, and we should make use of it.
So Ichobaka, Ifediba is now your choice.
Of course.
Hi, babe. Good.
You're so pretty.
Thank you.
So good.
Right on time.
Of course.
So, let me see.
Hey, Grandma.
The surprise. So, where are you taking me to?
To my mother. You've been saying you want to see my mother.
Lotana. Yes. So, are we going now?
Yes.
I can't wait.
Lotana.
So we go.
You ready?
Of course I'm ready.
Go.
Lotana. Lotana, it's me. Lotana, you're not saying anything. Lotana, is that you? Lotana.
What have I done to deserve this?
Lotana.
I have lost my eyes. No one to help me. No
It's okay. Nonsense. Oh no, it's because of you. I have tolerated this man enough. You would have allowed me to use my fist to pull out his teeth.
As Tyson. Butwe. As Mike Tyson.
Look at him. Oh no, we are saying Butu. No, what is he going to Butu? What is he going to Butu?
Quiet now.
I will arrange your data formula. You don't know Ubaka. Look at you. Ubaka. You think we don't know you? You think we don't know you? Hey! I know your antecedents. Yes! This one? You! What chased you away from Gabon?
From Gabon, you entered Panya. And from Panya, you landed here and you entered there. What chased you away? You were busy impregnating all the widows. Huh? Yes, the widows and their children, their daughters. Look at you. And now you are here. The most useless and worthless person. In fact, upcoming elder. That's what you are.
Wait. Ichobaka, so you have mouth to talk. You think we don't know you? We've heard everything about you. The way you are using your daughter to collect money from men. Nah, Papa, oh, hey, Papa, it's okay. It's okay. You cannot do more than a dead rat. Oh, hey, stop. Do more than a dead rat.
You will hear from me.
It's Ubaka. Stop.
It's okay.
Hey. Oh no. Bootway.
Since 94. Hey! If I don't deal with you,
it's Ubaka. Ubaka, what are you doing, man?
Hey!
It's Ubaka.
This boy has married the tail of the tiger.
Oh no! Let's go Bootway. Ubaka. Sit down. Let us sit down. Sit down. If we are comparing the problem we have on our hands already. Gebert, please continue. Gebert, if I need a book, because of tomorrow, so that we can always refer to that book.
But don't know what this boy is.
What the
Oh wow! You know what I'm Hey, my son.
Mama.
You're really the true son of your father.
Thank
you have eyes for good things. Hey, you know what I'm
Thank you.
So what's her name?
Judith.
Judith.
Thank you.
Hey, you're welcome.
So at least I can now rest, right?
Say
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Hey, Lutana, you're welcome. Lutana, you look good. Lutana. Hey.
What are you doing here?
Lutana.
Huh?
I want to see you, please. Eh? I want us to talk.
Talk about what?
Please, I said I want to see you now.
Talk
let's
about
go one
what?
side and talk. I don't want people to hear us, and it's very important. Please, let's go one side and talk, please. Huh?
It's very important.
Yes.
Okay, come and tell me.
Lutana, why are you talking to me like this, man? I don't like it. I'm your fiancé. Everybody in this village know that I'm your girlfriend.
Thunder fire you and everybody in this village. It's like you're senseless. Are you daft? There is nothing like us anymore. Are you stupid?
Lutana. See, let me tell you, I'm not that type of girl you use and dump anyhow you like. I will be the one to decide when this relationship is over, not you. And let me warn you, Lutana, you will regret this. Yes, you will regret ever knowing me in this life.
No, you got it wrong. You will be the one to regret it. The next time I see you in this house, you will not like yourself. I see you're mad.
We shall see.
Come on, go to hell.
We shall see.
Is everything okay?
Oh, yes, babe. Everything is fine.
Who is she?
Oh, come on, baby. She's nobody.
But oh no, I am not happy.
Why?
I'm not happy.
Why?
Yes, if you had allowed me, I would have used my fix that I use in boxing in Gabon and remove Ichobaka's 42 teeth. 42 teeth.
Oh no, do you have 42 teeth in your mouth? It is not 42.
Okay.
It
okay.
is 32.
Okay.
When they sent you to school to go and learn, what did you do? You got your teacher pregnant and you ran away.
Oh no, happen go in Kawa. Kai won't get now.
Good. Ichie Ndukwe, I am beginning to think that Ichie Obaka and Gilbert, they both have personal motives. If not, tell me for goodness sake, why would they be this blind to see that Ifede is not fit for the throne?
Ifede is a clown. Oh no, sometimes I think that boy is a curse to the royal family.
Oh, Ineche Kuli Ife Neche.
We are listening alike. Can't you see that Uju Okoli and Gilbert have sold their conscience because of money to the queen? And that queen is so desperate. He's a desperate person that wants to get everything by all means.
Ichie Ndukwe, do you see why two of us are flowing together? Because we reason together, we reason alike. We are on the same page.
But my annoyance is that you would have allowed me to deal with that man. But Natata, one day, he will fall again to my trap. And you may he walking and walking.
Oh
no, which year?
Which year? Even this Obaka and Gilbert. Oh, we can't see a fundia. Makani open a fan name. Antemo Donaya.
How dare you, you blind bat?
I'm sorry, I did not see you.
How do you know? You're blind, for goodness sake. Blind graduate. Ini Edo. Blind graduate. Blind princess. Nonsense. You don't deserve to live here in the palace. People like you don't live in the palace. You should be at the disability home. That is where people with disabilities are being taken care of, and not here in my palace. Idiot! Nonsense!
She's greedy and wicked. You are greedy and wicked. She's here to destroy. You cannot be trusted. She cannot be trusted. You are greedy and wicked. She's greedy and wicked. You cannot be trusted at all. You are wicked and selfish. You are greedy and wicked. She's greedy and wicked. You cannot be trusted at all. You are greedy and wicked.
Wani, my woman, I can do anything for you.
Is it heavy?
It's not heavy, it is sweeting me. I love you so much.
I love you too.
Nothing will ever make me to stop loving you. My love for you is forever. If they tell me now that I should choose the throne or I should choose you, I will choose you over and over again. I don't care. Hey, that is it. The way you call that name, Ify, it turns me on.
Ify.
Stop now. It will stand though. It will stand though.
Ify.
What is it?
There is something.
In fact, first of all, give me this knife. I don't like stressing you.
You should be careful.
I don't want you. No, give me. Let me hold everything. You just stay like that and stay cool. Don't stress yourself. Let's go.
Easy. Keep it the other way.
Okay. Ewo.
Easy. Sorry.
Ewo. Okay, let me hold it. Just tell me, what is it?
There is something I want to tell you. Please don't be angry with me.
Thunder, fire, anger. Me, angry. I can never be angry with you. Never.
Stop, Joe.
To stand.
I'm in need of 50,000 naira. Just small 50,000 naira. It's not much. Yeah, I want to use this for something.
Okay, I will make it 70,000.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'll make it 70.
Why not make it 100?
100? I'll make it 100. I will steal. I'll bring for you.
You will steal?
Yes, now.
See, don't worry. I know how to give it to you. I will do you. I will just give it to you. Hey! Let's go. No, now, stop.
You like
you don't want to help me. Let's go.
Bring, let me help you.
Let's go, Joe. Don't you know that you're a prince?
Such a comfort.
Yes, how? Hey. My queen.
Yes,
my queen, this one you are here. What one is over?
I know you will be very surprised to see me in your house.
Yes, my queen.
Knowing that you just left me.
My queen, please, 1 minute. Let me sit.
You want me to sit?
Yes. Okay, you may sit.
Sit.
Queens like you don't visit regularly. So I hope all is well, my queen.
And the frog does not run in the daytime in vain.
You're right, my queen.
Gilbert, Ono and Ndukwe are becoming very stubborn. I thought that by now you and Ubaka must have handled them. So what's going on?
My queen, you know how stubborn Ono can be, yeah? Especially when he thinks that he's on the right track. But just give us little time. Ubaka and I are already on it.
Gilbert,
my queen,
I am running out of patience. And time is what I do not have. I need my son to sit on that throne. And I'm prepared to do everything and anything to get my son on that seat. Tell me what it's going to cost me to make my son sit on that throne.
My queen?
Where's your sister?
Oh, that one. She's never at home. It's either she went to work in a particular company or that she's in the church for one program or the other.
So I assume you are home alone.
I am actually home alone.
Gilbert, I am a desperate woman. I need my son to sit on that throne. And I want to show you how desperate I want him on that throne. Come with me to your house.
My queen?
Inside your house. I'll show you how desperate.
My queen?
Come.
Inside.
Who is there? Is anybody there? Come and help me.
My princess, what are you doing here?
I was on my way to my room, then I missed my way.
I'm sorry, my princess. I went to get fresh vegetables for the queen. I'm sorry, I'm here now. I'll take you to your room.
Oh, okay.
This way.
Thank you. Thank you. May the gods bless you. Thank you for everything you do for me. Eh?
See, let's go to your room. Step this way, left. This is the left.
Easy. Okay, it's the staircase, right?
Yes. Okay. Easy.
Maybe.
Sorry.
My queen, you are indeed a generous woman. In fact, I will do everything humanly possible to make sure that your son, Ifediba, sits on that throne, even if he's going to take my life.
Gebert,
My queen.
I am desperate. I'm not generous. I want my son to sit on that throne.
Yes, my queen.
I will still show you how so very desperate I am in getting my son to sit on that throne. Come with me to the car.
Yes, ma'am.
Button up. This is for you.
My queen, all this money for me?
I am just showing you how desperate I am. Now you owe me. It is for you to keep your own part of the deal.
With this, I will do everything humanly possible to make sure that Ifediba, your son, sits on that throne.
It will cost you your blood, right? Thank you. Go to your house.
She's greedy and wicked. She's here to destroy. Cannot be trusted. She cannot be trusted.
Bye bye, my queen.
She's greedy and wicked. Cannot be trusted at all. You are wicked and selfish. You are greedy and wicked. She's greedy and wicked. You cannot be trusted at all. You are greedy and wicked. You cannot be trusted at all.
My princess, you haven't touched your food. Stop crying. If crying could solve anything, you would have been fine by now. You've been crying so much these past few days. Stop crying, please. Stop doing this to yourself.
How could my own blood sister? How could my own blood sister do this to me? How could she take my Lutana? Kiro, she took my Lutana. She took my Lutana.
My princess.
How could she be so evil? How can they be so evil? This is not fair.
My princess. She snatched him because he's not meant for you.
That is not true. That is not true. Lutana loves me.
Put yourself. My princess.
We love each other. Our relationship was good. It was made in heaven.
He does not love you. He does not love you. If he loves you, he wouldn't have abandoned you now that you need him the most. For your sister. Stop doing this to yourself. My princess, realize... Please, stop doing this to yourself.
Lutana, why did you do this to me?
My princess.
I cannot bear this. I cannot. Why did you do this to me?
Please come and eat your food so you
I'm
can be
not
strong.
hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry.
My princess, come and try, even if it's a bite.
You leave me. Leave me. You just leave me.
Oh no, where are you hurrying to?
Ichie. Ndị Igbo si na okenye ara anọ n'ụlọ ewuwe mmụọ n'ogbere. Enough of this. Enough of this, Ichie. Enough. I was actually hurrying to your house.
My house?
Yes, Ichie. Yes. I was, but thank the gods that I met you here, Ichie. Ichie Ndukwe. First, it was Princess Ngozi Ezeonu that just went blind. And now, the young man, Princess Ngozi Ezeonu's fiancé.
Wait. Oh no. The young man that took her to the hospital.
Exactly. Exactly. And the young man is even planning to get married with Princess Judith.
Oh no. Are you sure of this you are saying?
Etiendukwe, each time we are talking and you ask me this question, I begin to wonder if you don't know me again. I don't joke with issues like this. As we speak, Queen Joyce has invited me over to her house so we can discuss about the marriage, her daughter's marriage with the young man.
Alo. Oh no, Kaba alo.
Alo obukwani for bele. Alo obi for bele. I am honestly confused the way things are going in this kingdom.
Oh no, yes. Can we now go to your house?
No, Ichiendukwe. I said before that I was hurrying to your house, so let's go back to your house. It will be better so we can discuss. Please, let's
If you say so.
My in-law, I hope I'm not bothering you so much.
No, not at all.
Yes, my daughter told me that you are a very busy man as regards to your preparation to your royal traditional marriage with her.
Oh yes, you see, it's not easy running around trying to make it the best in town. Of course, coming from the royal family, everyone will expect a very glamorous celebration, so it's not easy trying to put all of that together, but all the same, no complaint. I'm doing it for them.
Ifediba.
This yellow man again with my sister.
What is the meaning of this? Can't you see that I have a guest? Take that pot back to the kitchen and get out from my presence this minute.
Mama, what is it now? Am I disturbing anybody? I'm eating now.
No, just leave the poor boy, okay?
Who?
It's not disturbing anybody.
Will you get out from here?
You call me a poor boy in my palace. You know, Papa?
Felipe, stop it!
Did you just call me a poor boy in my palace?
Stop it right there. What's it? Don't come close to my husband. Are you okay?
Which husband? This man that is marrying to my two sisters. Deceiving you people up and down. Yellow Papa.
Please just go away.
Mind your business in this palace.
Will you get out from here?
Or wait for you at the gates.
Get out! Leave here immediately.
Who wish now you leave this place?
Can't you see I have a guest and you're just messing up? Is this boy like this? Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I apologize on his behalf.
I'm sorry.
Sorry, dear. Yes. It's one of those things. It's okay. It's alright.
Will he really wait for me at the gate?
No, he won't do that. Of course, we have securities everywhere. We won't try that. I hope you're not scared.
The way he threw the noodles like a basketball can make anyone scared.
Maybe, boy. I don't get scared at such things. Just noodles. Okay? Like I was saying before, we were interrupted by the little boy.
Oh, yes.
My in-law, I need a favor from you. Please, I need the sum of 10 million naira to attend to some urgent things.
Sorry, will I really want to give you all you give me?
You will give me, of course. You want to give me.
Okay, because I just wanted to be sure where the money is coming from. Is it from me or is it from you? But now you've made it clear that it's from me. I'll make it available for you.
Okay.
So, but do you want cash or you want it sent to your account? Because I need to know how I'm sending the money to her, you know?
I think I need cash because I want to start spending it immediately. As soon as it enters my hand, I need to disperse it.
Disperse. Okay. You shall have it.
Thank you.
Honey, thank you very much. I love you.
Oh, come on. You don't need to thank me. I am proud.
Time up. Start going.
Ifediba.
Let him start going.
Ifediba.
Come and start. Let us go and fight. My boys are waiting at the gate already.
I'm having tete with your mom.
You're having tete. Eh? Does this place look like a theater house? This is a palace. Come outside. Let us fight the theater there. Let us go outside.
Ifediba, why being a bully?
I want to theater him.
Ifediba, take this pot back to the kitchen.
I must bully you.
Let me go.
Let me go. Will you leave this place?
I want to eat it.
My princess.
Good afternoon, sir. Welcome to the palace.
How are you coping?
I can't complain. I have accepted my fate. I am okay.
I like that. Good to hear. But one thing I want to assure you, my princess. I will personally get to the root of this to make sure that you get justice. I can't compromise my stand, my princess.
Honorable, thank you so much for always standing by me. But is it not rather late? Who would want to crown a blind princess? Honorable, don't worry. I have accepted my fate. I have nothing left to lose.
My princess, you can lose everything, but definitely not your hope. I have assured you that I, Onowu of this kingdom, I must get to the bottom of your blindness. I must get to the root of it. You must get justice. Just keep the hope alive. I cannot compromise it. I owe you this as a duty, my princess.
Thank you very much, Honorable.
I like your spirit, but please don't lose hope. Don't lose hope. I will get to the root of this particular thing. Whatever is the reason for your blindness, I know I will get to the root of it. It is my promise for you.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
I lost my baby.
You lost our baby.
The baby is gone.
Oh God. How did it happen?
I just lost my baby.
It's okay, stop crying. Another one will come, okay?
The throne has been vacant for 2 whole years now.
My queen, you are right. The princess is not yet set to sit on the throne.
She is blind.
Blindness is so strange to me. I strongly believe that I will do everything I can to make her regain her sight. I owe my people this, my queen.
You're right there. I was expecting you to say that. Oh no, you have my full support.
I am backing you up with everything you choose to do in order to help her regain her sight. You have my full support on that.
My queen, you surprised me. I am glad you are reasoning this way, my queen.
I am a mother.
Oh, yes.
Apart from the fact that I'm the queen of this kingdom and that I want my son to sit on this throne, does not stop me from accepting the fact that this throne befits Ngozi more than my son. Look at Ifediba. He can't do anything for our kingdom. Yes, I'm beginning to accept the fact that he cannot. Both of us are running after the same cause.
Yes.
Except we're doing it in different ways. We want the best for our people, right?
Yes.
Good.
I am... if I tell you that I'm not glad to hear this, that you have finally decided to support the princess, I am happy.
I am supporting her all the way. The throne fits her.
Oh, yes.
Yes, and she will do better than anyone.
Exactly.
Forgive my manners, no. I did not offer you anything.
No, my queen, no. It's too early to start drinking. It's too early.
You don't turn my offer down except you have not accepted the fact that I am a changed person.
No, my queen, I do.
So I say no.
Just don't misunderstand me.
No, I'm not. Please drink with me.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah. I'm sure you're not used to it, but you'll like it.
Okay.
You'll like it.
Yes, thank you. Thank you.
But wait now, let's cheers to the future of to the future of our kingdom. Cheers.
Thank you.
I wonder why you were saying no all this time. So you really want to drink? Yes. You can finish it and still take another one. I can see you enjoying your drink.
Yes, my queen.
You can pour in another one.
No, my queen. I am...
You're sweating.
Yes, my queen.
But yes, it's on. You're sweating.
Yes, my queen.
Take more drinks.
Yes.
You like the band?
Yes. My queen.
I hope you're comfortable.
Yes, my queen, but you have to help me, my queen.
How do you mean? I don't understand.
My queen. You know, I am just beginning to see that you're a very beautiful woman.
You're embarrassing me.
No, my queen, I am not. But that's the truth. Just say a word. It is that, my queen.
I can see something bugging out from your body. What's going on?
The third leg is coming out faster.
Lift your leg off the ground and let us meet up with this.
Welcome. Hey. I only have 2 legs. I'm not an animal. I only have 2 legs. I don't have 4 legs.
Oh, you have 2 legs and I have 4. No, I have 4 legs. My friend, listen, we have to hurry up before Ndukwe gets there and we will see the accomplices. I don't want to.
I understand. Leave me Vili.
Eh? Abajapu. Let's hurry up a bit.
Let's go.
My friend, we have to hurry up before Ndukwe gets there. Please. The queen is waiting for us. So hold up.
please now. Just small, my queen, please, please. My queen, please now help me, please.
You want me to do what?
Yes, please, my queen. Please, anything you want me to do, I will do it. My queen, Mr. The third leg.
You can help yourself more drinks if that's your problem.
The third leg.
Leave me alone now.
Let me just small. You know you are too beautiful. Let me just allow me to rig your heart to my third leg. My queen, let me rig your heart to my third leg, please now.
Oh no, will leave me alone. Oh, you are embarrassing me. Hey! Oh, you people have seen it. You people have seen it. You have seen it.
What have you done?
Because I'm sorry. It's the work of the devil. I don't know what came over me, please.
Oh no! We know what came over you. We know exactly what came over you. The spirit of Konji, the spirit of adulterous, fornicative, and Undu Adopasa. What don't do?
Ichi Obaka
What do I wear? No!
It's an abomination to the throne of my husband. Okay. A big abomination to the throne of my late husband.
Exactly. Abomination!
Oh no, you have just committed an abomination.
Keep it. Ichi Obaka and Gibat. Nwokonya ga-asị ma ọ bụrụ ya. Unu afugo ke ihe niile si na-aga. Ka mụkwa nọ n'ụda.
Shut up! Don't know what to say.
You see what I'm telling you?
Onowu just committed an abomination in the palace. Hey, you are here saying rubbish.
That is what I always tell you. This man is a conglomerative, configurative, and he is an embodiment of stupidity. Look at him. I know it. My pure is God. Shut up. You have committed.
I will even shout.
You know again.
I feel like shouting.
No, in fact, shout down this palace.
It's okay. Stop thinking too much, okay? Another baby will definitely come. Okay?
Where are you going?
I need to get to the site. You just called me. Things are not really going on well there. I need to know how the job is going.
And leave me all alone in this house?
No, I'm not going to stay long. I just want to see how the job is going. I need to meet up with the contract.
Really?
What? You're looking...
So your stupid contract is more important than I am? Lieutenant, for God's sake, I just lost my baby! Really?
You don't have to say it like that. It's our baby. I also feel the pain. I'm only saying that I need to know what's going on with them while I quickly come back home. I'm not going there to spend time.
You're not going anywhere.
No, babe, you don't even understand. If I'm not there, the job won't be moving. I feel the pain. It's also our child. Okay? I'm also sad. I'm only asking. I go to the site. I know what's going on there. Okay? Then I'll come back home. I'm not staying long.
So what do I do? I mean, who do I stay with?
You don't have to be dramatic. I just want to go
I'm
to
not
the
being
site.
dramatic. What are you saying? Stay all alone in this house. What if something happens to me? I just lost my baby and you want to leave me? I'm sorry. You're not going anywhere.
Babe, please. The workers are complaining of my incompetence already. I don't want it to continue. I'm not going to stay there for long. That's what I'm trying to tell you, my love.
Then I'm sorry. I can't stay alone in this house. I'm sorry.
Listen. just go to work and come back. We'll go to the bedroom and fire again. We'll get another baby.
Sorry, you're staying in this house with me. I can't stay alone. I can't. I'm sorry.
Onowu must be banished.
Exactly. There is one punishment that is meant for the offender of this offense in this our community. That is banishment.
Finished.
Onowu must be banished. Let us stop painting words here. He must be banished.
But wait. How can you sentence a man without first hearing from him? At least, let us hear from the accused.
What else do you want to hear?
Wait. What do you want to hear? What do you want us to sit down here and listen to? Eh? Did you not see what happened? With your 2 eyes. Okay, maybe you've just gone blind. No, you're now a blind fool.
See, both of you should watch your tongues.
Gini man.
Gini game? What else do we want Onowu to say? What else? We all caught him forcing himself on the queen. Onowu, are you trying to deny it? Can you deny it?
Did you or did you not? No, you do or you do. Did you do or did you not do?
Is there anything that both of you know that we don't know? Anyway, I am suspecting a foul play here.
Let that foul play kill you.
You are a very foolish, stupid idiot. Hey! Foul play! You are a madman! In fact, madness runs in your DNA. Oh, all of a sudden you are suspecting foul play. Foul play! Look at you.
Obaka, is you and your entire family are mad.
In fact, your entire generation, in fact, foolishness runs in your DNA. Foolishness, stupidity runs in your DNA. Look at him.
Face the truth and stop talking about the bush. Face the truth too. Even the truth, go ahead and easy. You
want to turn it upside down.
But I welcome. But there's something I want to tell you.
Speak. I'm listening.
But I've been promoted at my place of work.
Good for you.
Brother, I got promoted to the position of a supervisor. Our company manager recommended me, brother, to the white man. And he said I'm very hardworking.
So, that thing that you refuse to give Prince Ifediba is the thing that you go to your place of work to share to everybody free of charge. Brother Gene, do you think I'm a fool? Eh? How do you explain the sudden promotion in your place of work? Only Kabido yesterday, Piam, they have promoted you. How do you explain it if you do not give them this? Eh? I'm talking to you. Idiot. Instead of you to give it to Prince Ife the back, go 200, 300,000. And you're there sharing it to every dick and Harry. You're telling me they have promoted you. They recommended you to white man. Get out from my front, Sebapo. Sebapo, get out!
But why can't you just be happy for me for once?
If you want me to be happy with you, you make me happy too. Make me happy by listening to me and obeying all that I tell you. Since I promoted you, how much do you bring to this house? How much is your salary? Is it 25,000? It's a promotion. Go to Prince Ife over Piam. I'm at 300k and you go read it.
Four miscarriages in a few months. Look, there are 4 miscarriages. 4!
It's a pity, but it can happen to anyone.
I'm sorry, that's a lie. Because it usually happens anytime your mother visited. Yes.
So what are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to say is that your mother is a witch. She's responsible for all my miscarriages. That's what I'm saying.
Then you call my mother a witch?
Of course she's a witch. She is. She's eating up all my babies.
Don't call my mother a witch.
Sultana, your mother is a witch. I say it with my full chest. She's a witch.
All we have to do is to go to the hospital and confirm the reason for the miscarriages.
Oh,
you cannot call my mother a witch.
Say that. Anytime she visited, I have miscarriages. What are you saying? Can't you see? She's a witch.
Oh, please.
Oh, please what? Sultana, oh, please what? Your mother is a witch. That's what I'm saying.
Hello. Why is your face like this? I was about coming to your place.
Okay, tell me, do you need money?
I don't need money.
You don't need money?
Everything is not all about money.
Ah. Wow, did anybody beat you?
Ifediba, I'm pregnant. And my mother is beginning to suspect. I don't know how long I will hide this from her.
Hey! Hey! Egu, egu, egu. 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 Egu, egu. You are pregnant! You're pregnant. Hey! This is the best news ever. You're pregnant. That means I will marry you now. Yes, I will marry you. See, before my coronation, I will marry you.
Are you sure you marry me?
Who will marry you if it's not me? I must marry you now.
Then you have to be fast about it. You know, there is no how they can crown me if I have this baby outside wedlock.
Ah.
So you have to be fast. Please.
That is true. No problem. That means we have to start planning. But I assure you that I must marry you before my coronation. In fact, you must deliver this baby in the palace.
Are you sure?
It's a promise. And lastly, I am okay. We have to give birth to a boy.
A boy?
Yes,
so
that he will be my next of king.
I'm so happy. I'm relieved.
You must be happy.
Oh! You're a prince. Can't you just act like a prince? Why are you disgracing me like this now?
No, now you're pregnant. I need to be servicing you now, always.
Here?
Anywhere.
No!
So where are you going now?
My mother sent me to Mamuzo's place to buy red oil.
Me, I don't have anything to do. I'm just free. Let me go with you.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey. Okay. See, I don't want you to stress yourself. So from now onwards, I'll be carrying you. Enter.
No.
Let me carry you now. You're carrying my prince.
I know. Not here.
Oh.
See, you have to start acting like a prince. So you have to man up now. Behave like a man. I don't like the way you're. Let's go. Come, let's go, John.
So I will soon be a father.
You're walking like a prince.
I am okay very soon.
Officers, listen. Arrest him, arrest him. Don't have
Okay.
time for this.
Jane, arrest who? What happened? Why?
Oga Lieutenant, I beg. This is not about me, it's from my office. Officers, please do your job.
No, Jane, I already called the chairman and I assured him I'll finish the job.
Sorry, sir, I don't have this time. Can you move?
Hey, young man, move it! Move it!
Move.
Who's that? Jane.
Say anything and blow your leg off.
Sorry, sir, I don't have time.
Jane.
The gods have spoken.
Wise one, like you rightly said, things have gone from bad to worse back at the palace. Wise one, what do we do to salvage this situation?
Ogugu. Ogugu. He is asking, is there a solution to the evil that runs in the palace? Ogugu. Is there anything humanly possible to salvage the situation? Ogugu said there is a solution.
Thanks be to the gods of my maternal home, the gods of Imagbuland. I thank you, great gods of Imagbuland, my maternal home. But wise one, what is the solution?
Oh, Chimo, I warned Lieutenant. I warned him, but he didn't listen to me.
What is it? What is it? What is this? I warned you. What is it? We should be looking for a way out of this thing and not to put blames on anyone, Mama. Please.
Now, where do I get that kind of money to pay back? Where?
Mama, nobody is asking you to bring any money. All I'm saying is just go and bail him. That's it.
Bail him with what? How much is the bail money?
500,000.
500,000. Ibiano, from where do I get it? Do I plug 500,000 from these trees here? From where? Hey! Hi.
Well, it's a pity we live in a lawless country. Like the western part of Europe, where I spend most of my time. Lieutenant's case is a bailable one. And bail is also free there. Just that you have to provide someone who is standing as a surety for you.
I am a widow. I have no one to run to. Please help me. Please, I beg of you.
It's okay, Monica. I will help you with the 500,000 naira you requested for. Just that you have to provide a collateral. Yeah, you know this is the only business I do since I returned from Europe.
What kind of collateral would you want me to give you before you give me the money?
You have to provide the landed property worth 3 million naira with your name and signature attached to it. Don't worry, I will give you. Just look for the collateral, the property, okay? I will give you. Huh? It's okay, Monica.
I don't have 500,000 naira to give. You can stay there for as long as it takes.
Mom, I don't want her to hear our conversation. I am tired of the marriage. Yes, really tired, Mom. 4 miscarriages in a year? Come on, that's too much. Right now, he's in the police custody for embezzling the money of the contract he was awarded to. I am tired.
You is a fool. A big fool. He can die there for like you.
No, I don't just know. He was just busy spending all the money. I don't know what he was thinking, really. I don't know.
Then let him carry his cross. Mom, yes. He's my husband. And so, Lotana is the least of my worries right now. And besides, he has a mother. Let his mother carry his cross with him. Let his mother sort him out.
What about me?
Judith, you're a big girl too. You are an adult. I don't want to interfere with your private life. See, my child, I have Ifediba's coronation coming up soon. And that's what I get myself concerned about right now. Other than a senseless, stupid boy in the police custody. Don't want to talk about him.
Mom, please. I know you can still do something.
I can't do nothing right now.
Dada, our company is sending me to Lagos for a 6 months course. After the course, we write exam, and it's only the people that pass the exam that they will send to South Africa for training.
Why are you telling me this? And how is it my business?
But it means I'll be away for 6 months.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.
But why do you despise me so much? All I've ever done is to make you proud.
If you really want to make me proud, marry Prince Ifediba.
I can't. That marriage is not my priority right now. I want to work hard and earn a decent living so I can take care of you. Look at where we live, brother. I want a better life for you and I.
Better life. Better life. If you really want a better life for both of us, marry Prince Ifediba. Let us at least enjoy from the national cake that Ichie Obaka and the daughter Emilie. Let us enjoy the national cake that they are enjoying from Prince Ifediba. Look at Emilie. Is she better than you? Is she?
I am not Emilie. I am Nonye, your sister. I'm going to work hard, earn my own money, and I know God Almighty will reward my efforts.
All I want from you is to marry. Marry Prince Ifediba and all will be well with us. At least from the money that Prince Ifediba will give you, I will from there collect some money and marry my girlfriend. That I am still single now is because of you. You are the one delaying me.
That is all you think about?
That is not all I think about. That is all I want. And that is the right thing to do. But that is all you think about. Marry Prince Ifediba and make me happy. If you don't want it, so say, Kabalo Wogi Lagos.
Thank you.
You, thank you. You, thank you. Brunani, what is he, man? I know.
Don't do because you can do it. Don't kill because you have the power. Don't destroy because you can destroy.
Come, my son. Look at these clothes. I didn't know lovely. So beautiful. I can't wait to see you in them.
Mommy.
Yes, sir.
I have something important to tell you.
And what could be so or more important than your coronation clothes? See, I got them from one of the best designers in the world. He just sent them.
Just leave all these things.
What
not
is
important.
it?
Mama, what I want to tell you is very important.
And what's that?
I want to marry Emilie. She's pregnant and she's carrying my child.
What nonsense are you talking about? Are you alright? Are you okay? You're not going to marry that girl. See, I have a wife betrothed to you right from when you were a child.
Me, I will not marry anybody. I will not marry anybody apart from Emilie. She's pregnant for me now and she's carrying my child and I must make her my wife.
Will you shut up your mouth, stupid? Don't act like we're an animal. What nonsense are you talking? Over my dead body, will I allow you to get married to that stupid, wretched girl? Whatever thing that happened between both of you was just for the fun of it. And I allowed it because I need the services of her father Obaka to get you seated on that throne.
Nothing, it's a lie. She's very sweet. She's very, very sweet.
Sweeter, but
she
why
must become the next queen of this land. I must marry her.
And I said over my dead body,
Mama,
you will never get married to that wretched animal.
If I don't marry her, then I will not become the king of this land.
Get away, get out from my room. Look at how far I've gone and you're talking this nonsense.
I will burn all these clothes.
That stupid girl from that wretched family. You want to bring her into the...
Were you not wretched when my father married you?
Get away, get out from this.
Were you not wretched when my father married you? I must marry her. I must marry her.
Very ungrateful.
I will disturb you. I will disturb you in this house. I will disturb you in this house.
Get out from here. Animal. Idiot. Look at it. Selling that I bought all this expensive clothes. Idiot. You must wear these clothes. Look at the idiot I got all these expensive clothes for. Ungrateful child. You must wear these clothes and sit on that throne without that bastard. Nonsense. I know how much I spent on this. All the things that I've done.
Okay. Here is the money you requested for. But firstly, I have to go through the document you have as collateral for me to check the authenticity of the document.
Mr. Ikenga, the land in question is the only land left for my son and I. As at the last time we wanted to sell it to pay his school fees outside the country, it was worth 5 million naira.
Oh, really? Where is this land located?
We share fence with JB Factory.
Alright. Good enough. It can go. I will give you the money. You can count it if you want to.
There's no time. I'm hurrying off to the park.
Alright, no problem.
Oh no, everything is set for the coronation. Yes. But rumor has it that Ifediba impregnated Uju Okoli's daughter, Emilie. Ichie, if I tell you that I am surprised, I should be lying to you, Ichie. I should be lying to you. Ichie Obaka used his daughter Emilie as bait. Yes. Hi. Oh no. How did it go? We've not had any news. Ichie Ndukwe. Oh no. I have done everything necessary as you know. The final battle is of the gods. Though I have not given up on them. Ichie, do not worry.
Everything will work out fine. Okay? So don't worry.
Oh no. I cannot wait to have you back. Because everything has turned upside down in this our community since you left.
Onye jife watakili wenye akayenu. Akabube oyemegele wetu etu ya.
Oh no, I agree with you.
Good.
I agree with
you. So don't worry. But I hope nobody saw you again.
No. You told me before now.
Good. Yes. Good. So even Cholo came alobo. Well, just believe the gods. Everything is working out perfect. Okay? Good. So,
okay.
Yes.
Remember, evil you do today, we live with you, and after you, oh my remember, evil you do today, evil that you do, we live with you.
I need money.
You want me to give you money to
Yes.
give to that your stupid girlfriend? I don't have money.
She's not stupid though. That girl is not stupid. She's pregnant. She's pregnant for me, the prince. She's carrying the prince child. So I need money because she told me that she wants to buy provision. So give me money.
I don't have money for your pregnant girlfriend.
She'll be my wife soon now. Stop all these things. I need money.
I don't have money.
I'm asking you, as if I don't know where the money is. Watch me.
I don't have money.
We shall see now. Piru. I need money now. Give me money before I do something crazy. Piru.
Stupid. Don't just grow up.
Because I'm watching you. Me for John Abanio. Odisianu Kachiaman Fefo. Remember, evil you do today, we live with you, and after you, oh my remember, evil you do today, evil that you do, we live with you, and after you, we live with you. Remember, evil you do today, oh we live with you, and after you, remember, evil you do today, we live with you, and after you. She's a destiny child, you. Always a destiny child. Oh, we were material mancha. The enemies, they have done their worst. They came to destroy.
What is this? Is this not native doctor or something? Chineke me. Away. Picture.
What is it? Ifediba.
Hey! So Ezemo is now living with my mother-in-law.
This boy has killed me.
Welcome, my princess. How are you? Good afternoon, or no?
Good afternoon.
Mom.
Excuse me. Will you keep that stupid mom to yourself? You're not the first person that have come to use service from this kingdom. So stop pretending and keep that to your stupid hugs and smiles to yourself. I don't need them. Okay? I don't need them.
Ifedi.
Are you mad? Good. Are you crazy? Who is Ifedi? If you come close to me now, I will destroy your face. Animano.
What was that for?
Who are you?
Why did you slap me?
You are just a princess, a common princess. I am the prince of this land. The heir apparent to my father's throne. So bow down to me if you want to greet me, Onyara.
Bow down to you.
Yes. What do you want to do?
Oh no, have you seen it? Oh no, have you seen it? How dare you raise your filthy hands before the crown prince of this kingdom?
Crown prince, my foot. If he's a crown prince, I'm a crown princess. And if he misbehaves again, I will beat you and beat you blue, black and yellow. You will beat me. You know I always beat you. You know how I beat you. You know how it is.
I know you're a witch.
Mama,
but I will treat you.
No, you are the witch. Your son the wizard.
Let us fight.
He said I will beat you.
Let us fight.
He said I have always beat you.
I will kill you today. Who are you?
I will beat you.
Who are you? Who are you?
Princess! Princess! Calm down, princess! Calm down, princess!
No problem.
Calm down, princess!
No problem.
Princess!
I will come back for you.
She said, what?
I will come back for you.
Witch! That's what you are! You are a witch and I will treat you as such.
You are the real witch.
You are a witch and I will treat you as such. Hey, animal! You are a witch!
I will come back for you.
Princess! Princess, please! Princess! Must hear this.
It's okay.
Must hear this. Go back. Where is she? Must hear this one. Must hear this. Hey! Must hear this. That is princess.
My princess, please don't allow this whole thing to trouble you. You just came home from Abuja. You need some rest, my princess.
I have had enough. I have had it up to here with these people. How can they want to frustrate me, intimidate me, turn me to a slave in my own father's house? What nonsense is that? What was all the nonsense for?
I can see that you have grown wings. You termites.
Please, my queen, please.
Excuse me, Ono. This is family issue. Now listen. You termite that thinks herself a butterfly. I, Queen Joyce, still remain the only queen in this palace. And what that means is, I call the shot. And it's not too late for you to bend, or peacefully leave this palace.
I go nowhere. Or you think your antics to frustrate me out of this palace will work? Well, you fail. You fail, witch, because if there is anyone to leave this palace, it is you and your stupid children that are supposed to leave this palace. How dare you?
You will leave. I heard her loud and clear. You will leave this palace and it must be today, not what today. And ma'am,
And who is to?
you will leave.
And who is taking me out of the palace?
You.
You
want to finish our food.
You call myself
That is why you came back.
an imbecile.
You want to finish our
You are
food.
the one that is a wicked.
Keep that charging to the idiot. What is she still
Who is
doing
taking me
there?
out of this palace? Who is taking me out of this palace? I will break your skull. I will break your skull. I will break your skull.
Hey! Abomination! Give it is an abomination. This one is even the same abomination you want to commit. She must leave. Let her leave this place.
Look at this imbecile.
I am the grand prince.
Look at this imbecile.
Look at them. All of them is abomination. Mama, hold her. Hold her. This girl is something else. Hold her. You see? Come and fight me. Come and fight me.
If you're a man, if you say you're a prince, stand there.
I stand there.
Yes.
I'm the king.
My king.
Hey, mama.
You shouldn't have gotten into a fight with her.
Mama, were you not there? What was I supposed to do?
Do your normal crack. Shout, yell. Do anything and then leave. I'm not going to a fight with her. Look at the shame. Not this shame. I wish your sister is a man. She would have been a perfect match to Kosi. And not you.
Mama, Judith is powerless.
Talk about yourself.
She cannot fight. In fact, nobody has power in this family.
Are you for real?
You gave birth to weaklings.
It's a lie. You're the only weakling.
You were there. You saw how everything happened. That girl is dangerous. So it's like that girl used to fight in school. See her hand now, heavy hand. I was just running up and down.
Shut up.
She pinned me down and started punching me, and punching my fine face, just like that.
You're nothing but a disgrace. Seriously, good for nothing. You don't know how to do anything, not fight, nothing. Even
My
to
own
eat.
is next
you don't
time.
know how to do it.
Next time, don't give birth to me if you know I will not have strength.
I wouldn't want to give back to you. Nonsense. I'm just managing. Look at how I'm fighting to make sure you sit on this throne. And you're following my hands in everything I do. Come on, fight. Beat a lady.
Hire fighters. Hire fighters. Go and hire them. Mama,
Just leave my room, please.
I need money.
I don't have money today. Come tomorrow. Let me recover from the fight. I'm still panting. I say go tomorrow morning. Don't touch my wardrobe. Be clear. I just nothing but a shame. Go tomorrow morning. Leave my room. No, leave my room. I just the total shame. Good for nothing.
Oh no, I want to use this medium to say thank you. Thank you for your great support since my father's death. Because really without you, I don't know what I would have done.
My princess,
No.
it is my responsibility to protect you. Okay?
Thank you very much, Ono.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I deeply appreciate.
Yeah. One more thing, my princess. Please, I want you to try as much as you can to stay away from trouble. Especially from this royal home. Your late parents, I know, we are peace-loving people. I am sure you were brought up in that same manner, my princess.
No, I'm trying my best. But for how long will I keep running away from those people? And at the same time running away from my responsibilities as a princess. As the princess of this kingdom. So it is high time I faced them head on. Whatever they want, I, Princess Kosi, will give it to them.
Now, talking about responsibility, Kosi, have you considered the throne?
To go.
Oh yeah, now all set to go.
My children. Enough.
All set to go now.
We have to buckle up now and fight for what is rightfully ours.
Of course.
Oh, please now, not again. I am tired. I had a very busy day. I just want to.
Are you okay? No. Does it look like I'm joking with you? Did you see any smiles on my face? Or does what is happening now not mean anything to you? That Kosi is back to drag the throne with your brother, and both of you are so comfortable with it.
I am not comfortable. Though.
Exactly.
I will never be comfortable. She cannot take what belongs to me. It's not possible. Never. She can never try it. The throne is mine. I am the first son. I am the only son. I am the heir apparent to the throne, the next king of this village, of this land. Mama, the next time you see both of us fighting, allow me. Let me just cut off her left eyes. Wonyara.
Mama, but this is not contestable. I mean, Kosi can only assume the throne. But she cannot take it when we have a heir to the throne.
Exactly.
Ifediba is the rightful person to ascend the throne, and it's not contestable.
Next king.
But not with Ifediba's kind of lifestyle. Some of the, almost all the villagers, none of them wants Ifediba as their king. They don't want him as their king. All because of his kind of lifestyle.
Mom, you're right.
Yeah, that's what I'm fighting for.
I mean, who wants Ifediba as a king?
God punish you there. God strike that your left eyes. So you want to challenge me now? You want to take my throne?
Do I look like Kosi?
You want to take my throne?
Do I look like Kosi?
That is your plan. Wicked girl. You call yourself my sister. You want to take my position?
Do I look like Kosi?
Enough of you.
What about you?
We must have shut up.
You that sleep around.
I'm saying something very important and you people are talking nonsense. But get back to your room. Get out! Get out! Get out! Get out! Oh God! Look at it! Look at it! Oh God! But it's okay. Even with the way he's behaving, he's still the king of this kingdom. He still remains. They will have to accept him like that. Nobody sits on that throne. And if you like, let him go naked. You will still sit on that throne. Hey! No.
Honestly, Mama, I've been thinking of what happened. I can't tell what happens to me. It's just like I forgot about everything. My job, my life, like, I don't know, everything gone. The opportunity I got just wasted, just like that.
Lutanna, I hate to say this, but I warned you. Lutanna, I warned you. I saw this coming.
Lutanna, Mama, Lutanna, Mama, welcome, Lutanna. Hey, how are you? What? How are you? Hope they didn't beat you too much.
What are you doing here?
Get something ready for him to
I
eat.
will, Mama. Wait.
Something ready for who to eat? What are you doing here?
Huh?
What am I doing here, Lutana? Are you okay, or did prison also affect your senses?
What are you doing here? That's my question.
Lutana, I am your wife.
She is your wife. Yes, she is.
My wife?
Yes.
How? Huh? Wait. Mama?
Huh?
Is she my wife you said went to the market?
Yes. She is your wife.
Yes.
She is the princess you are married to.
What?
What is what?
Married to who?
To me. Lutana, come on, stop now.
Wait, Mama. Is she my wife you said went to the market?
Yes, sure, she is.
Where's Kosi?
Who is Kosi?
Oh, I said something really happened to me. The only thing I could remember was taking Kosi to the hospital. Something is wrong.
Who are you? Are you not the princess?
Mama, I am the princess, his wife.
Then who is Kosi?
My mom.
You have another sister?
My mom.
Oh, wow. Hey! Amanda Boom. I know this is the hand of Amanda. Oh! Oh! Amanda, it will never be well with you. What is happening? She has just scattered my home. Hi! I'd better go and see Amanda. Oh, wow! Hey!
I killed him, Mama.
Eh?
You killed my mother! I killed him, Mama.
Why? What did she ever do to you?
Oh my God! She was pregnant for a son. A son that will sit on the throne. And I don't want her to have that son. I don't want her to have a son that will sit on the throne. You killed my mother, my brother. I apologize. Oh God!
What is going on?
I charmed you. Yes. I charmed you into falling in love. Deeply in love with my daughter, marrying her Robert.
Mama said that she's the one responsible for the love life that you and Yellow Papa have been living.
Mom!
Hey! Don't kill her now. Let her finish.
Kill you! No! Evil!
Yellow Papa, you feel like fighting.
Oh, Mama.
My daughter, how are you?
Hi, Mama. Good evening.
Please, my daughter, I've come to plead with you to please forgive my son for everything that transpired between the two of you in the past. Please forgive him. I beg of you.
Mama, I don't have anything against Lutana. Yes.
No, you have. You see, he has virtually lost everything. Everything. He's left with nothing. Life has turned upside down for him. So please, I beg of you, forgive him. Oh, Bara. Oh, Bara.
Mama, I was angry I lost Lutana. But God has given me someone who loves me. And I loved him back. I've forgiven Lutana. I don't have anything against him. I've moved on with my life, Mama. I've forgiven him long time ago, Mama.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama. Yes. I've forgiven him. I don't have anything against him, Mama. Believe me.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Mama. Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry, Mama. Hey. It is well. I went through hell. At some point, I begged for death to come. but they didn't come.
Okay. I'm sorry I wasn't there for you when you needed me most. I'm so sorry.
It's not your fault. It's not your fault, baby. You were hypnotized at the time. So you have no blame in this. I'm grateful everything is fine now. But it was not easy.
It's okay.
If not for Kiro. At some point my stepmother chased her away. She sent her away and it became hell for me because I had no one.
It's okay. Everything is history now. It's all over. Okay? Oh my God, I missed you.
I miss you too. I miss you so much.
Missed you more.
Oh my God. My princess!
I can see.
Oh my God! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I was overwhelmed with joy.
It's okay.
My princess, you can't see.
I can see now.
I'm sorry, good evening, sir.
No, it's okay. It's okay, Nkiru. I heard everything, okay? And I want to assure you that I owe you a lot.
No. Don't say that, sir. You don't owe me anything. I was only doing my duty. Princess Kosi is such a sweet soul. She has been nothing but kind to me and my family. I could never pay her back. I was only doing my duty.
It's okay, dear. It's okay. Thank you. Thank you for everything. Thank you. Thank you.
Let what has happened in the past be a warning, a big warning, and a lesson to every one of us. What has happened in the past has been a very terrible one. These past years have been a very tough one to all of us in this community. So I urge us to, with a pure heart, sincerely contribute to the development of this our great kingdom.
Oh no, all maka ndị okenye na-agwọ ofe. Ị mara na-asị na onye mara asụọ, ọ sụọ n'ikwe. Ma ị maga asụ, ị sụọ n'ala. Onye ji akwa na-asa arụ, ya mara onwe.
Itiendukwe.
Oh no.
You like proverbs a lot. You have spoken well like an elder that you are, Itiendukwe.
Thank you, no.
We must forge ahead. It's time for us to begin to put things in their right places for the good of our kingdom.
Oh no.
Itiendukwe.
You have spoken very, very well. And I am solidly behind you. I am with you. Anytime, any day.
Thank you, Itiendukwe.
Although you can count on my support.
Thank you, Kevat. No. I'm with you all the way. Itiendukwe. No. What do you think?
Well, you have said it all. All is for the development of our great kingdom.
Good. So now that we are working in unity, we have to work together for our common goal. Are you understanding me? Because they say, united we stand, divided we fall.
Ichi Obaka, I am very grateful. Gilbert, thank you.
Hey, One, is this you?
It's me, brother.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you, brother. I missed you.
Oh,
How are you?
I am fine, and I've missed you more. It all look as if you've left me for years. My sister, you're welcome.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
You're welcome. My sister, who owns this car?
It's not my car. It's our company's car.
Company car? Yeah. So you now cruise with the company's car?
Yes, now.
Hey. That training that you went for, how did it go?
But I went so well. Out of 10 persons, I came out 5th position.
Hey! 5th position?
Yes. And it comes with a very big allowance.
Big allowance? That means I didn't even go to...
Yes.
Hey! That has been my prayers for you. To be going higher and higher and higher and higher every day. Hey! I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, brother. Thank you.
I'm so proud.
Thank you, brother.
Hey.
Brother, what about your girlfriend now? You didn't get married to her anymore.
You know that it was because of her that I was pushing you, forcing you to go and marry Prince Ifediba. Do you know that after everything, that girl refused to marry me?
Yeah. I told you now. I told you she was still a small girl.
Who are you calling a small girl?
Did you expect a small girl like that to marry almost an old man like
you? Call that girl a small girl? Yeah. She's not a small girl, oh. She's not a small girl.
That she's a small girl. You look for a more mature lady to marry, not that small girl.
That means you will try and get one for me now.
But I missed you. I miss you.
I miss you more. I miss you more. Hey!
My people. Hear me and hear me well. Iche Ubaka's child is carrying my pregnancy. She is pregnant for me. Therefore, everybody in this village must avoid her because the prince is there forever. People of Igluta land, hear the prince. Know this today and know peace. Stay away from my wife to be. I do not want to see anybody close to her. My love, where are you going? Nobody should go close to her. If you are seeing her now, do not go close to her. She is mine. Tell your mother, tell your father that I have a child that is coming soon. Did you hear me? Tell your people, the people of Igluta land, your prince has spoken. I have a wife in this land. Respect me, avoid her so that you will know peace. My woman is pregnant. Nobody should go close to her. Nobody should go close to her. I repeat myself again. Emilia is pregnant for me and me alone. People of Igluta land, hear me today. I will not come out tomorrow and explain myself. This is the last time. Nobody should near my wife.
Mama?
Please take me to the hospital. I'm dying.
Mama, if you want to die, you die. After all, you are old. Die now. Rest in peace. Me, I'm still alive. I'm strong. Let me go bury you. Nobody go bury me. The only thing I'm here to ask you is, where did you keep money? I need money. Because I want to go and marry my girl. I need money. So just tell me where the money is. If you die, I will bury you.
If I'm suffering like this because of the love I have for you, with you and your sister Judith, take me to the hospital immediately. Oh, please take me to the hospital.
Mama, I need money. I need money too. Yeah, Mama, if you're dying, no problem. You can die. Me, I need money. Please. Okay, give me some money from there.
Give you some money from here. As what? Eh? Wait. Just hold up. Just respect yourself now. You're here for money, okay?
Yeah.
Ask Mama. Let Mama give you. Yeah, I came to ask her for money and I took my own.
Wait, now just give me some from that one now, please.
Judith,
now.
respect yourself now and leave this money.
Okay,
I don't joke with my money.
Where did you get this one from?
Are you asking me? Eh? Look for your own money. Check in the wardrobe.
Wait.
Search for your money.
There's no money here. Give me some money from
Oh, Judith, I don't joke with money. I will deal with you.
I
will deal with you. I don't joke with my money.
Give me money.
I don't joke with my money.
Give me some money.
You want some money?
Give me money.
Hey, you want to fight me?
Yes, give me money.
You want to fight me?
Give me money from there. I will not allow you.
Nobody should disturb me again. No.
I like this. What is it?
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. On behalf of my mom, please. Please forgive my mom. My mom is dying. Please, I beg you, let's take her to the hospital. All that we've done to you, please, I plead.
Judith, please. Please. I don't need this drama right now. I'm having a moment with my husband. Can you please excuse us?
Please, I may beg. I'm not joking. I am serious. I'm speaking the truth. My mom is dying.
Then take her to the hospital. If your mom is dying, take her to the hospital.
Please, I'm begging you.
Honey, please, let me go.
Lotana.
Judith, please, can you stop? Can you just...
Lotana, please, I'm begging. God, I beg you, don't do this to me, please. My mom is dying. Please, thank you. Thank you.
She's a destiny child, oh. Always a destiny child. Oh, we were waiting, oh, my child. The enemies, they have done their worst. They came to destroy Manachimwa Shirike. Destiny can only be delayed just for a while, but manifest in due time. Onyabu, obu no mweburo jeji chuaja. Emesi oge kukume, omendilo surprise you. Because otherwise, no more time can fight or change their plans. Because otherwise, no more time can fight or change their